sometimes. Yes, me not see you now.
Wait, what funny for now? 1 hour.
Me not see you now.
And my sister, what? How what she do?
She love you know she a mix up, you know.
Me know.
You know everybody business.
Fully.
So me go over Papa yard ready here. And I search Papa and she jump up. Papa no there. Papa no there. Like me talk to she.
But Papa I never do there. Girl.
But I know your yard me come.
That not say. Sis.
I wasn't speaking to you.
Happen to you now.
Now the same little fly face looking so.
Yeah, look at my face.
My daughter and then everyone my daughter and lick him back.
Yeah. No. I told me the hungry catch me half gather me no do say what me tell say long short catch me must catch you. Me say I go and buck you or I buck your daughter.
Me I bet you. I pay you and get back change. See me daughter and touch me daughter. If you think you bad, I see.
Me not think me bad, right. Me bad. And you know worry yourself. You know worry yourself.
I want to deal with you.
You can't
one by one, me take on the whole 3 hours. One by one.
Girl, so your maga, we just broke your soul.
Me we call Miss Cherry and make Miss Cherry come down again. Miss Cherry beat her. And Miss Cherry beat you too. Wait, me must say Miss Cherry beat you so up your hand. The two are not bad girl. I told me like on one come bully.
Miss Cherry never beat me before.
Miss Cherry beat you so up your hand.
Never beat
you so up your hand and bite in your chair.
She never beat me.
She beat you?
No.
Me hear about it.
You're talking rubbish. Rubbish.
Shut up. Shut me up.
You know what? Me book you one next year. Come here.
I'm telling a girl and I warning this. Remember good. See me daughter up on the left and take the right. You see, if you ever think you're bad, see me daughter and touch me daughter. Me myself personally, I come for you and put your 6 foot 6.
See to me. When me touch you, that I come for you next. Then I can call look for me. I come look for you.
Girl, lift up.
The 3 out of me, I take out one by one.
People be
back up. Bye.
The whole 2 hours just walk live.
You know, say I have a life.
I have a life.
Where? My life is fast than other people business.
I better say 2 and I think you said, man.
I'm from people yard.
What?
Listen, I'm for your yard.
No, I'm from your come with a pies you a long time.
What the hell humpy dumpy? 2 humpy dumpies. Bullfrog. What bullfrog and crocodile?
And this is jealous over.
You know what your mother thinking back again?
Why?
Okay. I'm here.
Warm to me? Before me going a warm to me, where you coming from?
Me auntie Rebel go look work.
Who?
Me auntie Rebel.
Which part you go look the work? Come here hear some story on the road from morning. Where you go look work and what kind of work you go do? And did you get the work?
No, me didn't get it that time I come back.
Where you go look at work?
Me remember my place name.
You like work? Me not know if you want to go look work. Where they come from?
Me auntie Rebel go look around work.
You just take me feed there, don't?
No, you ask one question and me answer you.
Me know. So you feel so you can't tell me anything where you feel say me want hear and you feel say me just take a pill and I eat that.
Not get a pill.
Hi, sir. What you smell so?
Oh, sweet.
Like you don't beard.
Baby, I come from Upper Auntie Rebel.
You know you smell like some frownsy man when they rub up with you. Where you come from?
Upper Auntie Rebel.
So Rebel are your man?
No.
So you know about pregnant again?
Yeah, but me not get no man.
A matter of fact. I went me there down the road. I yesterday this morning already. No matter the time. You know say your name Stinker Road though.
All important people know.
The one man where you come introduce to me say that the man they breed you. And I him you there with. Big in the road this morning. Or yesterday, I can't remember my kind of scene and I remember last listen. Kayla! News reporter. TVJ and CVM. CNN.
Mix up one?
Come in a road. Come at me shame like dog. They tell me plain and straight and they tell your man say you no pregnant for him. How who breed you? So you tell me lie. So we have to go do DNA when baby born.
No problem, my dear.
What do you mean no problem, no today?
We can't do it.
Kayla say, I'm not
That's a
trade.
Kayla business. Kayla never did it with me and Trey, right?
So you start talking to me
No,
disrespectful
but
now.
y'all listen people over here
Me
wanna
not,
pick me.
no. I when me hear me that I ask the one question, you know. You say the girl you say a tray breed you. The girl say is not tray, get you pregnant.
Oh, she know that.
I don't know if
Okay.
you and Kayla
So,
they not argument
no,
or,
no.
or your
argument.
friend secretly
Nope.
and me don't know.
Man, I
So
don't
how you
talk.
make Kayla know your business and you know say a news
I
reporter?
that me a share so Kayla don't know nothing about me. She only talk and only react make she get an answer.
Anyway, no, you see me gone on Kayla business, you know. And what Kayla say about you know. But that thing say, you know, the pill where you just give me if you take, you know, at tell me about work, you go look. No, but that thing say me have in my head, you know. Me know you as my daughter say is a liar. Only because me know want your father know say is a dirty liar for a long time. Make me just easy, kind tired to tell me, run a road, she at 19, run a road. To me no want you suffer on the road. The worst of all, you're pregnant. I mean, no want things happen to you. The other time for you look at work. Stop tell lies you go look work when you don't look no work. Me can see the big old line in your two eye them. You never go look no work. Right now, maybe if me see Rebel, if she say a lie, she don't know nothing about what you say.
You can call her.
Me fi call her. You forgot some, me not have her number.
But me a guy there.
Go on in. Look how you smell like you when you wrap up with some little dirty fronzy, man. Go on, go bed! Idiot. It's like how me and I'm stressed right now. Nobody not talk me spirit. You hear me I tell you?
Yeah, bro. Your volume break. What about it? Volume break.
You know, so the first time you come in my yard, you smell like a smelly perfume I did use. No, you smell like a toilet Peter come rank with me about volume break. Why you turn up your breath before you come in my yard? You out of there, I told me they want this you.
Yes,
And disrespect you. Who you? Look there.
Your brother there. You see who you talk to?
No, me not see you. You're
What's your break,
invisible.
man? What's your mouth,
You
man?
can't come in my yard come ask for me man, so me don't care you anymore.
Man, there's nobody to this family, but I feel like you're important. One brother there.
I know that. What you feel like? You and your brother there? And me and your brother there. All in the mouth stink like a shit. You not give me toothpaste to brush it. So hold up your nose, me breath should have kill you. Me don't know you not drop down and dead. But where my brother there? You think you can come in my yard come ask me man like that? Papa, are you tell a little dirty smell bad brother if you come in my yard come and ask for yourself? Where your papa there?
You don't see me there.
Boy, you come hold up, you should have dropped down and dead. Me sorry, so my breath in your power if it kill you.
You don't talk.
No! I'm like some insipid dog.
I will.
Oh, sorry. Come here.
How you call him?
Excuse me. I'm my daughter, I talk to you now.
Say a lunatic this time I'm going to call him.
So you
But
what
you come like I say, you come here, so if you come.
Yeah, she.
You're a big man. It's a big man, you know if he heal big man.
What you?
I owe him.
With a number 2 on his shirt. Where you get this a lunatic you from?
That's you.
I'm glad you know the number, you know what I mean.
Two on the birthday
Miss
stay
we
for each
yeah,
other.
it's what we better think. But you not come like a you.
Yo, one brother.
Tell pick, don't ask me nothing. You see this idiot that we come in here so I can go on like I say you want disgrace we? And insult we? Meet your uncle and your stepfather to be.
Uncle.
Me like you.
So look,
You know what me like you?
This one is an
So you have money, you better come chat to me now too.
Look,
So you not come out here and lecture there with me. That me I tell you. Fool!
Yeah, you know what I say?
Come like a girl them my friend. Cook you out.
Stop, come up close.
You
man.
can't stop me from come up to you and my this and you have no money in this.
Hey, how you do? Don't be hurricane. Breathe easy.
You know
This one is like can't my niece. My niece don't
You
wear
know
no
money
pants
can't-
that look like a pork cup with
Well, yeah, look how this
And my uncle then we know one shot
you're not
after
fine,
the
brother.
after
You
the.
know no
Bro.
money. Give me some of my money. You're coming now. You feel how you feel.
Yo.
I will give you that shirt. Give me.
Yo, I'm sure it's maybe a Jamaican here. You know you touch
I
me.
style you want style Jamaica. Look at them. I come from Jamaica and import over. You're brighty.
What you praying?
You can't dead when you smell me breath. You idiot. Me never beg you one toothpaste the
You
other
look
day.
so like
Why
a
you-
wet rat.
Leave her alone.
Christ.
Oh, you look so.
You know say
like
love
a
chat
giant-
people for man. You come like one little look you.
One brother there.
Popeye.
Make it rough, so.
I make
In the-
you
in
rough
the-
so. And you don't know if you talk to people. You come in and me yard and come insult me and my daughter. You're bright and come chat about brother. Who to tell if you're not jacket, you're damn idiot. You're their friend and not even $100 and send come give your brother. And look where you live in now. You're damn cockroach.
Oh, good. One brother sip on you. You're rough and your bird smell
He
like
see
cruff.
what you not see.
You're rough and your bird smell like cruff.
Me want me breath to kill you. Make you not come back in and not even your spirit.
You can't learn. You have to
No,
ugly
because
like
she
him.
not have no teacher.
You have to ugly like
Me
him.
glad
and
she
try
not
to
ugly like a Uno. What? This a generation how me going
Hello.
on. Look on you and your little dirty brother when me pick up all
Hello.
Romed. Coop on you.
And my brother make you look like somebody.
What you have brother?
Huh?
After you're gone, you say 23 year.
Nice,
You
man.
have brother who direct you to this house here.
when
The
I live
second
life-
time you come now.
when I live
and not
life-
even want sweetie in a coffee, your
I
brother
hear
come
what me
out.
say,
Look
mama.
what on about on their friend I can chat about. That's why me not boast over no
My brother is
family
like a
with
get
their
together
friend.
and even listen to me.
Get to like a little dirty
Yeah,
corruption,
yeah.
dirty brain where you have when you have no education in there. They are foreigner take quote dirty idiot boy.
And look teeth them and change colour.
And you yellow like your old. Can you not beard?
Put it in the like
You
my should.
can't talk to me.
Bend down and put
I
it in.
come in and me
Bend
yard
up
to
in the
come
mouth,
beg with
put it
food. Cause you're hungry and dip you from foreign. What else you have to tell me? So you hungry upon your mouth think now.
Okay.
Your mouth think now. When I can never care one toothpaste come give
You
you.
know, sister, me
And
say
your
it,
brother
but-
mouth think up me mouth.
You know, hear what me say?
Me no want hear nothing from you. Notice me attack and me no want you listen you. Cause you're stupid. But you come for me brother. You're bright if you go do her. He not go nowhere with you. Not come break out me brother. Go on there you go.
You sick in your head, man.
Mommy, me a go do that chair.
Smell like ram goat.
Everybody smell for you. And you alone smell good. Why you
So
never
I
care
live
one
down
of
here,
the
so I
dear
live walk, Mr. Jamaica.
millions perfume then come give you like how
No,
we
me
not
have all
used
the
to
things
it.
that me can come down, but me can't go give you none. You know,
Or the baccarat. Why make you one of them come
You
give
no
you?
respect. How much bump in your face? 102?
Come creep them out with your damn dirty long vampire to them. Popeye! 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 Look here, you look like he not there. He not there.
This is something wrong with you. Solid long day and I know see a man there. Oh, but you're really sick in your head for true, man.
You know, go on now, you know, you're saying not there. Now, you know, come out. But he look like a me and my daughter come to come cuss off. Go on, your brother not there. Go on.
One more thing. You need a proper hairstyle and a face shot.
Look here, come
Yeah,
here.
you get it. I touch you.
Come here. You know something like you do. Come here, me have something to tell you. Come here. Just come here. Yeah, come here.
You see like for me?
Yeah.
Huh?
Me attracted to you. Come here.
You're attractive to me.
You know, say first time when you come here, me like you, me not even know that.
I can't touch you.
No,
now.
so me can't touch you, you idiot.
No, you can't know somebody for the first time and I touch them like
Me
that.
can't
That's
touch you.
assault. Listen,
No,
now, listen,
me
listen,
not get no
lady,
chance.
listen, now. Relax,
So
man.
we are going so like you know used to woman me and touch me.
No,
Me
you
can't
don't
touch you,
need
me
to
like your
touch me.
shirt.
Listen, man. Calm down. You're not there with mad people, you know. You have to know your approach.
Me like that with sober people come mad, so that means you will get me sober when
You
we
don't
when
go
we
sober.
are weak. Me I can't go to
You're
the
not
time.
about sober.
And I no condom.
You don't look man like that.
I only see looking man them.
She said,
If you go on like me no want you, me I tell you something like if I look like you have money, I can't just make me go out on a date or something. You know like me a what? A wife me and your brother, we no can do too. Family and family cook good soup.
Alright.
So you act like you don't like me.
I like you.
You like me?
Yeah.
So you not invite me on to go have dinner up at Matthews up the beach later?
Matthews.
Yeah. Like 30,000 and 40,000 seafood.
Yeah,
that-
yeah,
and you look like you have more than that. You can't spend that man.
Yeah.
I'm the one if you buy one perfume for me, I remember say my breath mess out. I mean when you buy one toothpaste for me, so when we go out, you have to smell my mouth. Again. She can't insult me, because I like you, and I go have to kiss you and so on. You have to go hug up and then
See,
something.
he's a man like this.
So you can't pick up a woman and take care of them.
Yeah, you want me to say?
But you're frightened me, not used to man talk to me so.
He's a man like this. So before me carry my woman in my road, I like carry them in the bush first. Now hills and valleys on me and my
The
farm.
ants them out in the front. And that you say?
But I try like
It's
a
a
sweet.
wicked.
No, but
Whether
I
it's
try
sweet,
like a
sour,
sweet.
frownsy, dirty, clean, big, little, you know business. You want to come in a bush and see them out in the front, you see you is not a good man.
Come down
Why you
yourself.
not come to a hotel?
Come down yourself. Now if you came in the hills and valley first, like you learn how to be a good, brush your teeth
Me
good,
no want to be a
brush your
tacky.
face good,
Why you want me to be
clean
a
out the fall cub,
fall cub?
beard me fall them, and do everything like that.
You know,
Chill
say
them
you
clothes.
be a foolishness here talk.
Watch out foolishness.
You, because number one, no what under there for weird. Me can't tell last me beard. Why you want me to beard to go to the yawa?
So you come beside them for.
Because me like you.
Don't touch me, you're not beard. If
Me
you
no
touch
want
somebody,
beard.
you
Where you
not-
tell me about beard every minute for me not soap and water gone. Watch ya.
You don't want to be there, mouth a wheel.
Make him wheel, man. And that's why I'm on there with you, make it stop
Watch out,
wheel.
When we talk, just stay this up. The pass this up. Only let you clean up on the yard. Oh, we place up stuff. You see now, you use them, because you reap grass in and your hand you have to use, you know. Let me tell you that. See, if you want a man like me, you plan to do them
You know, no skip like
dramatic style. Eh. Clip me have a clip, but I don't mean you go bunny. You alone I go bunny. My clip here.
But we can do that later, that and nothing.
You never see where you do
You
nothing.
think that you become a
You
tattoo
say you
papa
want
name
something
on
to
my front, that
burn.
means you're feeling.
I tell us you see my cliff here, so if you want it to burn, you have to brush your teeth first before
Where
you
your
can
pin
burn
number
this
for your
cliff.
card there? Did that show me up this?
Relax, man.
Where your pin number?
Relax.
You can't tell me your pin
You have to
number.
be a
You're not going to take
two-fold.
off all of your money, you know?
I have to be a 2 fold and change them clothes first. Then I
Me
can
will do
have
it.
pin.
Me will do it. Anything I say, me
You
go
do it,
do
you
it.
can talk to me, my business to deal with.
Look here now.
Hey, calm down the man.
Dirty boy, you think so me want you?
But let me get this
A
side.
prank.
Prank.
Me could never want you drunk, bro.
Prank.
A prank me, a prank you. Me could have want you.
Prank me.
Remember say you're my man, a brother, you know. And you come in and come go on like you know, a cousin, you know. And you know, a dead friend or whatever, you know. You know business with your brother, you know. Me could never want you a prank come out of me yard. Dirty drunk. Me could have want you. Me could have want you a joke me a make. Me no want you. Me no want nothing from you. But if you give me $1,000, me take it. Go on where you go. Go on which part of the go. Me no like you.
See, if I did watch YouTube, you
Me
don't
no
know
want
what
watch
prank.
nothing. Go
You
on
don't
where
know
you
what
go now. Me
prank
tired of you.
Here, you don't know when time somebody
Watch
wants
out.
you.
Look here.
Huh?
Go on.
You know when somebody wants you.
Take time and go on. Cause me could never want you.
Your mother.
Capital K. Go on. Me could never want you. Me no
You
want you.
that suit you
You
good.
know, say anytime your brother come, me I go tell him say they look me.
Come, brother can ramp with me. Tell you that.
You did there, they look me.
My brother
Yo.
say me not there with command fall.
Look here, you're lucky. Come on or no come on. Me could never want you, John Crow. You worse than your brother, your roommate better than you. Deported. Go on where you go, a prank. You could have given me $1,000 do me no until no line. Why they take me feed that, you know, waste of income and go and dash acid for him. Bright no. Must see all woman he want can me eat me man go give a road. If he say me a ramp with him, me could have want that a prank me a prank that. Fool.
I can't think I'm gonna tell us that because I'm. Oh, funny.
It's been a while.
What you did it?
I'm going on vacation.
Go beyond. Your part. Let say no know where you did. So nobody know say you gone away.
They know me did it, call me every day.
So I tell them no and tell me where you did.
Most likely.
I'm your baby father.
Most likely.
Mm.
So I go and I win them pickers.
Hmm?
I win them pickers.
Oh, are you really? You think about you don't think? Yeah?
Not like the pickers you were talking about.
No, I like to cause me attack. Which I like to cause me for time, man.
No. So I go on now.
No, man.
When they?
I'm not in there. Who for the there? You know there, who for there?
Just a ask.
Can't take problem more, Brother, be a problem very one with more. So that's it.
I'm there. Go check my mother right now, because I just come back in her place.
So who are you did that stay where you did?
I was on a vacation.
With who?
Now I was myself.
Make sure you say yourself to me.
Yeah.
Oh, baby, you never try to call me for me hear nothing, boy, baby, nothing. Seriously?
My phone did freeze up for a moment.
The phone it freeze up? Oh, so when you check me, it freeze up, but when your mother and pop call you.
Just like how when me did I try to talk to you, go like you don't know me. Yes. So how is life?
Life good, it come like you go bad since you come back.
So you have seen me a bad lesson?
No, I make it up so.
I'm going over my mother later.
I see a little bit more later tomorrow, so.
Maybe.
Right. Then you hear this and just come back and even check for it. It's alright. Yeah, boy, yes.
How you think you go?
Huh?
Where
Remember
you
we did tell you one time say me I plan to check for honeymoon?
You plan to carry me?
For honeymoon.
So we ready come on now?
No, not yet. We soon come back. Mama carry her back only for rebel.
No big girl this 19-year-old can stay here.
No, me
by
have to
herself.
take her. No, me have to take her.
Why you talking me talk? Why you talking while I'm talking? What is your problem? How much time me tell us when me talk you enough to talk? That sound good? You attack me attack. You are hear me? Me cannot hear you. You need to shut up. You see I go carry me for honeymoon. And you dey go with your daughter. Operable. The hotel soon lock.
No! 24/7. You can't lock, you know.
A 5-star?
No, a 20-star. Beautiful, you know, but no pool.
No pool?
Yeah, and just
I
tub.
no water in there, so me need go bathe. Me want go bathe in a pool up there.
No, you don't need a pool. That's too expensive. We just get a nice hotel for children a night. Very nice.
So we are going to do it up there?
Fun, you don't need no AC.
So me are going to do it up there.
Yeah, we are.
But me tell you that the mama and papa style the way I do every time. You can't, but you can't change up here and spice up
You
relationship.
feel like if express a young girl perfume.
Young wish girl. I what you try to tell me? Say me all sour.
No! Me did say that?
But she gonna finish your age.
Me in a age, but that don't me. I'm tell you something.
I'm in a age.
You're not in a age. Me older than you. But we have to try style me because you have a young girl with me. And that you try to.
And one sweetheart having a baby. And a you, that's you, baby. One sweetheart.
Yeah, nobody your wife, my sweetheart.
No, you're my wife and sweetheart. You know, my wife and my sweetheart. That's so you go. Yeah, everything in one, baby. Oh, yeah, move, so.
Take me for one piece of puppy.
No! Mr. Wife and sweetheart, baby.
You just
Nobody can beat you. Wife and sweetheart. You don't know that.
Sweetheart. You just say me a sweetheart.
Yes. You're my wife and sweetheart. You don't understand?
Why you just call me?
My wife and sweetheart.
Why you just call me?
Wifey.
Tell me, sister, kneel down.
Again?
Yeah. Because you're not supposed to call me sweetheart. Me and your wife. Kneel down. I'm sorry, my baby.
I'm sorry.
My baby.
You're not baby.
Me and your baby.
You're big somebody.
Say, I'm sorry, my baby.
I'm sorry. My baby. I'm sorry.
You have to make someone with me?
No.
No, get up, you know. Kneel down. I say, apologize. Say, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, my baby.
My baby.
I love you so much.
I love you so much.
I'm not getting no bun.
I mean, now I'm getting no bun only with the whole.
Wait, hold on. No, hold on for
the
me.
old time bulla.
Eh?
You don't know the old time bulla?
And your hood belongs to me and me alone.
And my property belongs to you. I am now old for no because it's still young.
You put back all in it? No, I'm kidding.
It's just tired of you know.
I do me love you make me back so. I like it.
I like it.
I kiss you. No. I do me love you. Get up. And you not to give me no bonus.
No, I'm getting a bone. I'm getting a bone.
What you do? What you do behind me just a while?
No, I must get up. I'm falling.
Come.
Kill them.
We soon come back here, yeah?
Make sure say we go on the honeymoon later, you know.
Yeah, now come back.
All right.
Yeah, come back.
Sure, just I'm here, weapon.
You come back here so again to make me and Papa in a thing sake of you.
No, man, we not done Papa yet.
What you mean?
Cherry, the man at you bun from the factory. Me never even know how much bun the factory one going to produce. Cherry, you can't see how you hide them. Left the boy, you know, $1,000 stop work. $5,000 do it. Cherry.
You think you're $5,000 more than my man $1,000 when man give me? You idiot? Who send you? Me and you left. You make me tell me man lie, say me and your cousin you know so we did that. And you take a look at dirty stinking self come back in a dirty lane to your one come look me.
How will you take one come here?
What you doing?
Me come pray for my cousin.
You come pray for your cousin?
Yes.
And your cousin?
No put your hand on my head, you know, I make me ear drop off.
And your cousin?
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah!
Yes.
Yes!
I'm my cousin, man.
God gonna bust your head.
Why you just say something like that? Just cool, man.
Because me no send your cousin.
What you mean, I'm my cousin? You know see how we resemble?
Where?
You buy food,
Papi.
Papa, but you can't
I,
fool me.
you and my mother no nothing by my father's side. Far down. We are you no favor. Me all the things say me and
But
him.
see, we are the
but-
same nose.
No, me the things say me and never nothing but true. Me granny say yeah, she and for your granny them are sitting, that's why.
I say this.
Stop it nice. As she make me come to she about fear lifestyle because you need to fix.
Yeah.
How you make your man gone with your daughter?
Nothing that at all. What is the problem, Kelly? You come to beg
No,
again?
no, because me I try to tell you something when you not see, but me can't say it out loud. Me find out for yourself. You
You
find out.
say Kelly, me blind?
Hold on there.
No,
Hold on.
you come next day blind because you're a fighter, you know. But you need to look good. Look at your 2 years them. Papa you gone with Chinese, but how you gone up a rebel? You not have to pass the hotel if you gone rebel.
Yeah.
So you could have slipped off the hotel.
Who you chatting?
Hotel, which hotel did you go?
Stop the
No, you
noise.
see me, I got dirty boy when I come out of me here. So that say, cause when I cannot come out of me yard.
So if Papa gone with. So,
And Papa is daughter. Papa can't go anywhere with his daughter, but that's not your business.
so then you just say if you read sense and pick nonsense.
And me if you read in betwixt line,
Yes.
I mean I say good.
You not say
So
good.
where you try to say, me see if me I get this thing good. Where you say, Papa Ghana hotel with Chinese.
No, Papa is gone with Shanice up a rebel. But why Papa is have why him and Shanice have to go together first? But say you have to pass the hotel to go rebel yard, you know.
So them want stop at hotel that you try to say?
Me don't know.
So
Are you
where
sure
you come
know
up here? Where you come
No,
up
them
here?
come show so come here. Me I try to tell us something
So-
from your daddy, you know.
so
Say, I know,
you-
share the baby daddy, but you just dance.
Wait,
you
wait.
know, pick up.
Wait. Where you try to say Papa breed with that?
No, me not say that.
Say me
Don't
no.
put words in my mouth.
Cherry, me see them mix up sitting here in a cherry.
Stop it, me
Me
not
not-
mix up. We don't mix up, stop it. You don't try to do that. We don't mix
I
up.
never say you mix up.
Me I say why they leave our one here.
Hold on. Where you come about?
Jesus.
Where you come about? You come like Miss News Carrier, Miss Reporter there. You ready for she come call me name to Papa. Where you come about? Eh?
You know me just.
Me
you
and
know,
your cousin, you know, but me not like how you runs up
you
on
know
me
me
like a
just a go
current,
in.
you know.
Me just a go in. Me never bother come. Me never bother come. God bless you. God go with you. You and Cherry, you and she go and talk, man. Me sorry. Watch you know. The cousin go look. Me go check. You want me go look for
I come
Papa
like you
here?
come in my yard to take over my business.
No. I
So
would
when you
never
talk
do
about
that.
Papa, where you call up Papa name for?
Me think say you did want me go for your sister, your daughter, and your husband. Can then come back.
Why
can
would
them
I
have
send you as my cousin go for my daughter when his father gone out with her?
Because she say if you pick sense out of nonsense.
Come on, that people business now.
That's true. I did not leave. Later, here.
Come here.
No, man.
No,
No.
me have something to tell
Come
you before you
here.
go.
Come here. Me have something to tell you. Come here now.
She said she have something to
Me
tell
have
you.
something to tell you. Watch the
You
big
may say
head
no.
man.
Later.
You say head ball. I'm good. Why?
Later.
Wee.
Cherry, I'm coming back. I'll call you, Cherry.
The big head man gone. I want to tell the big head man say me like him.
Yeah. Where you just say, come here. Like which man?
Him, your cousin.
Where you want like my cousin for?
No, your cousin. You have a preference
So
like
why
your
you want
cousin.
like my cousin? Why you choose
Me
to like
see him, I like him.
Look how much people in our village we have cousin. Why you not like one of them? Why am my cousin you want like?
No, cause him new. Him not there with everybody. He not there with nobody in here. Me want new goods. Me don't want nobody old mattress.
You know say a real cockroach at me nah no vegan. Come out of me yard.
Me come here, come here, go run down the man.
Run down which man?
Your cousin.
Okay, go on.
But
And
your
we
cousin.
find out for me and you. Go on, go run down my cousin, you see for me and you.
Me run anybody more run down.
Actually, head ball. You should have asked him if down there so the ball too.
Me gonna ask when me see you, then they shine.
You can't deal with him, man.
Yeah.
Alright, but no beg me nothing more for him.
Okay.
Dirty rich. Beg Isha. Beg too much. But see, as Papa coming here, news gone to Papa, they know wicked.
Cherry? Cherry, oh! Hello, good afternoon.
Evening.
I'm looking for Cherry,
She's not here.
but she'll be back here today.
Yeah.
Is Shanice here?
No.
Are you Cherry's last child or one of her
No.
children rather?
No, Patricia, my mother want black thick fat baby.
Patricia.
Yeah.
Interesting. So Cherry will be back here later.
Later.
By chance I can get Patricia's number?
Yeah.
Can shoot.
Ready?
Yeah.
1876
So 1876
202
202
4205.
4205.
Yeah. Patricia.
Alright, thank you. I'll definitely give her a call. Alright, thanks. Yeah, man. Patricia. Yeah. So you know, tell me. Interesting. Cause you know hear from me now while some I wonder. Oh, she told you. Yeah, man. Cause I go over Cherry Yard.
Start over again.
I'm just continue. I'm just cut it off.
Yeah. Yeah, man. I go over Cherry Yard. Yeah, man. The little girl. Really. Well, you know what me ever say. But I truth, she favor me. So how you arrive at that? How you arrive at that if you know the on your conscience then? So you know you play me. Yeah, okay, link up. Race bar. Oh no. The bar thing I know my own. Alright. We'll come meet at the park. Alright, anyway you pick. Alright, an idea. Alright, we'll call you back and make the time. Yo, 2 o'clock, buddy. Yeah. Alright, this was from my mind, so we'll call you back. But just make yourself available because we need to talk about this. Alright, cool.
Hello, boy. Long time no see.
I'm upset, man, because you have been the whole day sustainable. Look from the time we agree upon.
Come on now, you see the road bad and everything, and you have things up on me all that.
And you have to talk about the road and me. So I have to left all my vehicle down there, so look how long I'm there, sir.
Anyways, and that we come here, pan.
That's exactly what we there, say.
We know exactly where you come from. You see, little girl, right?
Yeah, I'm on here, what you have to say now?
Well, I tell you the truth of your daughter.
You could have tell me anything else.
But listen up, you left 15 years ago. You did peck from it.
So you bring Jackie go to Papa yard too.
God.
Me really like to know you bring Jackie go to Papa yard.
You again?
Me again, me go there everywhere.
Girl, you just there
Jesus,
everywhere.
man.
Me have to there everywhere. We could bring them Jackie go to Papa yard.
Business, man. Just
No,
relax,
me
man.
I go tell Papa.
What you want?
Me no want
Hey,
nothing.
let me ask you something.
Ask me now.
How they be ask you? Because
Ask me. What ask me say?
Go on now.
Me nah move.
Just go on, man. Cause you just get from last nerve.
I'm
Go
gonna pay
on now.
last
Go
nerve.
on.
Hello.
Go on.
Yes, ask you.
Ask me.
I would breach Chinese since so fast.
You know, say, man. Me can't
Make you make up
talking.
something, man.
No.
Make you make up something. Yeah, man, me know,
It's not
man.
makeup. And the reason it's not makeup is because me get a piece of food for no chat. So me can't chat. Me can't do that. Talk.
A story you come say with man. No go sir.
You can't just go back people in the yard. You see person who breach Chinese live in the yard. That's all I can say. You know who.
Sure. Made up story. Sure. What you want to see you?
So, you mean to tell
Are
me
you
say-
buying into that? You buying into that?
Not telling me now.
So
Not
mix
tell him.
up.
Me don't mix up.
Now talk to somebody and say you pop up with you. Now we come and talk.
Me must pop
Control
up.
yourself,
Me a
man.
GPS.
Control
Me dey go
yourself,
pop
man.
up.
Control yourself, for that me I tell you. You know, sir.
Go on now.
Are you baby father?
Go on. Me not tell you nothing. You too
That
nosy.
concern you?
Go on.
You concern me.
Just left now. Leave.
Jesus,
Me go
man.
tell.
Me no business. Go along.
So waste my time.
What? One.
Jesus Christ.
Everybody
Me
business.
must say you make that a beat me. No, me say one so.
Go on, man. Just go on.
Me dey go on. Leave me alone. Me a go on. Me a
Me
go
don't know
on.
what's up. You said you just everybody pop up. Right,
I'm
God.
sure you hear nothing. I can't tell you say if you hear by the time you walk
Then
off the
the
whole
hearing
world.
just blatantly. Oh, say bring jacket up. Anyways, I hear a little girl. I fake some paper. Oh, DNA paper. And bring it to Papa.
So why you broke? Why you not do that? Why you not do that? That makes sense to you?
So what you did want me to do? Me run out of money, me run out of funds, me run out of way to mind that child. What you want me to do? Me have to finish on the nearest man me can find. What boy you gone for all of 15 years? Me don't know who the hell you follow back. Gone. What the hell you want me to do? What you expect from me?
Me never reach out to you.
Reach out to who?
Me never reach out to you.
No, you never reach out to nothing. Me dey a batter with me daughter. Me batter with him for 15 years. Me not batter no more. At any home ever. Here you go mash up my plan over there. So me and you gonna have serious problem.
Me reach out to you though. And what you do? You block me and tell me say you don't have nothing to do with me. Cause you move on and now you come and blame him. What else me did for do? How else me could I get to you?
I argue with you. Where is it? How you reach over there, sir?
Let me tell you something.
No,
Let me tell you something
no.
was the plan when me that left.
How you reach over there, so how you reach over Cherry
What was the
Yard?
plan when me?
How you reach over there for know say my daughter over there? Cause I over Cherry and over Papa in there, no. So how you know nothing about that? How you reach over there? You come back, you not even come find me, nothing
And you
at
me to
all.
go check for.
How you ever check for me at Cherry Yard?
So how me know say little girl there? Can I question that?
Something not right. Something not add up and I must find out why reason make you go over Cherry
when
Yard.
I come here for that. When I come here for that. So who want to know? Who want to improve the life of the child? That's the aim now.
I like improving. Cause right now I'm free like a bird. But now where Mr. Bun
Say, I
nothing.
see him thing you did do the last time, you know. When me just reach up and me link you, I see him thing you do, you know. When me just go up back, you know. I see him thing you do.
So what you want? What you want? Cause you cannot have her.
You behave like you
can't go
can do
post
this
me
all by
secret.
yourself, and when me go so boom, you block me. Me keep me have no means to get to your people. Them I know
Yeah,
you
go
come
bust
back
me
and
secret
yeah,
if
tell
you
me say
can.
you everything improve. What me
You
for do?
can't mash up that right now. Me dey get good money. Me dey do everything. Me I maintain myself and me pitney alright.
One thing me I
She
tell you.
can't know say you ain't daddy.
One thing me I tell you. Play your card and play it right because you are go on now. What they are dark must come a light. And me now go have my youth and make my youth suffer because of you. So think about that.
I'm this a puppy show. I left you all at 15 years and come back, come play father role. Who you to?
Cheer. Afternoon.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know me, you know.
No, sorry, what's me I say?
First you see me.
Mm-hmm.
You know Shanice.
Chinese.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, bro, you know that the name there. Oh, go on.
You know Shanice.
Yeah.
Okay. You know me?
Okay.
Okay.
What's my answer? So oh God, to the street cheap place too.
The reason why I'm coming here today
Mm.
is because I was told that you are Shanice's baby father.
Oh yeah. Boy, you know, say rumors are going say that still, but man, cash man. As you can see, me I tell you.
Rumors.
Yeah, cause I'm not really certain, you know, that I say, oh, if I feel me, pick me, you see me?
Share.
Yeah. They can't take your time talks, you know, a big man.
When you tell me
You don't need to
foolishness.
get in a temper. What kind of foolishness, brother? Listen, where date? She go and come, you see me?
Share. Why you listen me? Why you listen me good?
Me I hear you, man.
Shanice is my daughter. Why you listen to me and listen to me good? Shanice is my daughter. And if you play with her, hold me unto you. If you hurt her, you hurt me. I'm in answer 40. 39 good enough.
So I check me, brother.
Share.
Right. You don't even know me from nowhere, you check me, bro.
Share.
Me just simply tell you something and I like say, yo, me take your daughter as no.
Share.
Like a waste girl or nothing, you see me? I rate her.
Share.
I tell her straight. I know you can't come check me just so.
Share.
You see, we are human being.
Share.
You get what I say? Me I hear what you say, what you say?
I never say nothing. I never say nothing. Take it how you want to take it. Read it how you want to read it. You sleep, I'm at it. Anything you get from it, make sure you interpret it well. Now it's a 39, 38 it there.
So someone is serious, brother. So I forgot to call my bitch. I call this a joke thing, brother. Shani, she me have to talk to her. I don't know how she is going with him. I never see him. From the end, I'm not see him. Then I go up on the road see him.
Amila!
Yeah.
Pack your things and come. Get your things here. Your mother talk to you.
No.
Call her.
Hey,
Just pack your
hey,
things.
hey.
Hey, what?
Me can't come off on vacation good. What you do here?
What you mean what me I do here? Me have something here, so.
Listen me.
Or someone here, so.
Listen me. You breathe cherry, you know. And well, cherry, me mine. Your picnic, you know there. Me left him back a country.
Hey, you mind my pick.
Yeah, man.
I never asked if you mind my pick.
19 years ago, 20 now.
Okay.
And what you do here?
Hungry, I'm come over have something to eat. But
Look how long in there.
yes, I'm come now. But I look, let's steer.
You can't just excuse her for a minute.
No.
I might
Me I talk to you, me I talk to her. Where you reaching at this?
You know my own yard. You know my own yard. You not talk to me? My me leg of the pit bull them around there so.
Here what I say, man. May I ask you for a few minutes? Me need to talk to him.
Me not move, me sorry.
I want we can him have making why you move.
She know say me know I'm busy making my gallant son.
And when do?
You come over here for your daughter.
Which daughter of fashion in there send it to their country?
Ah, she never hear the news. Listen to me.
Who daddy?
You see, when you got work, when you got school, me fi say, it has said, you know, so the paper then give you fraud.
Pack your
So
things
my
and
mother
come
not
here,
tell
man.
me see your papa and my father. So what?
No! I hear your father.
We have
This
been fighting
concern
for
you?
my
It
father.
concerned me.
Him
People
can't be
business
my
concern me.
father. Papa have to be my father.
Girl, I your father this year pick up things and cut a papa off.
So
Yes.
who am my father?
Am I not the papi?
No jacket.
Send me a
that.
jacket.
You get another jacket and I have
Hey!
nothing for you.
Shut up, no. You just a chat. So this don't concern you.
Hey!
What? Touch me not my yet.
Push him back.
No, you don't fuck push him.
No, you come.
Push him back.
No, you man.
You-
I'm afraid of him.
So you have to push him back.
We got your
Pack your things
yard.
and come, be.
You fuck up. I know my people too.
No. You not know sense. You just pull him and people like bully in your yard.
Now I get vile out here.
You take out the problem for me.
What? Chuck him.
You are the problem, guys.
Come on.
Hey, pack up your things and come here.
Hurry up.
Yeah, hurry up, fire. You got?
Are you your daughter? Me say not no sense.
I'm my daughter.
A jacket papa.
Hey, go put it on my back. Yeah,
Wax it up. You know what? Here, me not fight fire with fire because If I follow you, I'm step in your throat today. Can I get the line, bruv?
Put him
It's
out.
alright.
Put him out.
It's alright. No worries.
Put him out.
My name is spit catch me. That's all me I tell you. Just-
A bad man this. Yeah, you idiot.
Let me out. Let me out. You see, I'll see your mama. You wait. And right now, I'll get me a go. You hold that bag. Put it on pan. You see your mama. All right.
You know you do me a wicked thing though.
Why when you come back here with that?
You know you do me a wicked thing.
What
Me
happened?
come back here with my problem or you.
What me do?
You know say you're wicked though.
What?
Why you put me pitney in a papa name?
You doing in there already? I tell you, say don't make no problem with this. So I tell me, say, you're not plan to let this go. You're not plan to let it go.
So me even make my youth suffer because of you and your
He
negligence.
take care of him.
Take care.
Right
It's
now.
my responsibility that and you can go on like say your way you do right.
Hey man, nobody start with me. You never
Are
been
you-
here for how long? Where you did want me
So
to
what
do?
me there you know?
You go over there?
So where they expect me for you ask a question like that?
You tell us enough to go man. Yeah, no good day. Left them alone. They
Left them
alright. It's party. It's alright. It's party. Then you come bring.
Up here, you had me a come. Up here, you had me a come.
You see,
I want-
hey, a fist me should have fist him down, you know.
Fist down who?
Oh, you mean who? You want it?
I have a big fist on me baby father.
Me here say, I am not the papi.
I lie. You don't see proof. You don't see me show you had proof. I
I-
lie. Me don't know the time I come
What
from.
kind of circus me find this? Come on, tell you, man. I don't find myself all in a circus like.
Let me ask you a question. Who is the papi?
You.
Who is the papi? Because
Listen, are
me
you-
buy a one night stand from you. It's impossible for me to be the papi. Where you get them people from?
Are you my daddy? Me fool ya. Are you is the papi. You.
Me I go go over there, you know.
No. Listen, just
I'm gonna make you spit in a one cup and I'm gonna put two pieces in there and twine it around and throw a drink of rum in there. If you rum, don't come back up on the top and a film me picnic. You're too wicked.
Why you bunny this, you know?
Oh,
But
yeah.
anyways, I'll never say to you, it's your baby. Yours. Me don't know that man you come from.
Hello,
And
hello,
nobody
hello.
cut me.
No, listen.
You see, you're a wicked woman. I'm going to go walk and go about my business. And you see you? You see you?
Granny.
Don't worry yourself. You have a feel it, you know.
Happy
You have a feel it.
Oh, she go
He's a
feel
wicked
it.
Your
woman.
business.
I see
You
what
come
you
back
say.
and mash up my life. You call on your left. Call on your left. You left over 15 years ago. And you come back because in a argument
Over
with
15 years ago. And the baby soon 15. Let me do your maths. 5, 6, 11.
See, if he knew that 18 I know, if I did see him.
Me might done, but me not idiot. The man say over 15
I
years.
see your baby. I see your picnic.
Let me tell you something. You see that front there? And that's why you not get no more sale penny.
But
And that-
remember, say me
Yes,
pregnant here right now, you know.
For who?
You.
Give to the dog.
But
Hey! Don't speak. Don't speak. Go your yard. Anywhere they come. Go your yard. Don't speak.
when me
Don't speak. Go your yard.
tell me how the
Why don't me say don't speak? What I got to not do? Walk around and give man jacket in a Jamaica. You know, wicked vampire. Don't talk. Don't talk.
I
Me say don't talk. You go on.
But if
What me say? What me say?
Alright, watch me up.
What me say? You know, jacket basket, you know.
Anyways, look at the me see you still already there.
Me book up on your street. Unless you hear they knock.
Anyways, I know I'm pregnant, but we don't know if I feel it.
You're pregnant, but you're not there for me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're a footballer. You juggle 2 or more balls at a time.
I really that you said to me. Me just simply tell her something. Nobody come go like you on this thing.
I know this you, but you go say you don't know.
But the truth, I don't know if it's
I
yours.
say, I rule it out. Because you don't know. You're a shooter. I'm a shooter, miss.
Really?
But time will tell. Time will tell. We'll link up some other time, though.
All right.
Yeah.
Are you my contact in where you are going to have in the yard?
You just had plan to come check me. Out time whole entire day. Oh, night time and my time.
But that's supposed to mean that no so nice.
It's obvious you see that. Me not see a day and night now. I mean I see you.
Anyways, I know that they come to court after.
Pay computer.
Oh, the pregnancy I go.
How could I cause this?
How are this man?
You get how you
The
come
other
to
day,
me
me
about
talk
now?
to you.
How are you come boy?
You! Where are you, sir?
You know him?
You, where you are do here, so?
You know him?
Where you are do here, so?
You don't know one
A
another.
while ago, you said to me, say, yo, you
Yo.
believe you're pregnant for me.
You wait
And you turn up with this man, which I'm a daughter, baby father. What you are doing,
My
sir?
baby father this.
You don't know.
Oh,
You don't know.
oh, I see.
Come on.
A long time I
Wait,
hear about you.
What did Raka saying about my baby?
Oi. How are you? What him for?
What you mean?
No.
See me
touch
bring
baby
all
man.
formula. What you talk about?
last.
Me want let me a dream.
Hold on it.
No.
You, where you in at?
Oh, I said
You
let's
want a dream.
Where you there for? Where you in for?
This man's supposed to be my
baby
son-in-law.
mother
She's supposed to be my baby mother.
What
Yeah,
about
no,
it?
sir.
What about it? Sir?
Did you answer
Oh,
to
God.
what so?
What problem is it?
What
Sir.
so?
What you mean what going on?
What
What
about
going
it?
Wait, man.
She keep session.
What's this up?
This brother.
Thank you. So, wait on it. Hold on it.
No,
So, the four we there, so. Tell me once and for all. Because me want to know, you know.
What going on, sir? What going on,
We
sir?
are trying to figure out who
Make
have the
alone,
head
make
and who
alone,
have
make
the
alone
foot.
now on the circus. God,
I pay him you. I pay you.
Oh, me have a foot in there. Cause me don't know if I'm going to pay jacket near
Well,
me.
if you have a foot, me have a hand. Me have a
Yeah.
hand.
Make up your mind because I think me have the head in, okay? I mean, have the bigger one, so I mean have the head.
You
What
don't know
going on,
him.
sir? You go talk
Yeah,
to me
man.
because
My
we
son
cut
is
a while ago and we just have
Alright,
to come
no,
back.
cut. Let me tell you the what I go on here, so now. I'm 400, right?
Yeah.
The whole
Hold
400
on.
responsible. Argument done.
Huh? How can I dirty like this?
This
Yeah,
girl,
Yeah, a triplet. One
This
for
a
you,
girl, man.
one for you, one for you, and one for you.
I'm a triplet.
Triplet.
Hello.
no.
Whatever, quadruplet, whatever I name. 4 of them.
Hey, you know what I
No,
want to
sir.
do? You know what I want to do? Get a dice.
I raffle.
Get a dice, because this is too
A game
serious.
thing.
What you say?
Eh?
What you say?
Give me 5. 5.
Every kind turn up, I'm man.
Okay.
What you say?
Yo, if you lay down on the side of me.
So no side no left for me. Where you don't understand you. No side no left, cause him take one side, him
Who
take
are
one
you
side, and
being
you get
called?
one side.
Which one are we you say your baby father?
Come here, man. Watch out now.
Come like me.
If you can't
I
disappear after me.
just can't understand.
If you lay down after me.
If you disappear after me.
I just can't understand.
Humbuckle out after me picking it.
Allah, you tell.
After me picking it.
You're mad.
After me picking it.
Allah ya
See
tell.
kind of come back. See there?
Go on, you might get jacket.
Yeah, man.
See?
Man, and take your jacket. Unless
Father God, you love me.
Unless
Father God,
problem.
you love me.
Unless
We didn't know.
Like.
Didn't know.
So you, this way, my woman, after you have the stepdaughter,
So if you go in there, why you want to stay in there?
tell you to the local time, I get local couple of titles where you feel good, but you know, I'm after.
Are you still not answer me what I go on with my daughter?
After man.
That one.
You're afraid of it?
What?
You're mad.
A bad man, answer him.
Bad man, way.
Hey.
Wait.
Answer the man.
Where's
What
the
I go on with my
boy?
daughter? That one.
What for going with your daughter? Me no don't tell you, me no show you a prayer already and you know what is
You
up
look
with
like
her. What?
you bring the man daughter. That's
If you want to know what going to your daughter, you have to find her. Me no know where in there right now.
It's a pretty bad man, this funny man. Tell the
Listen to
man.
me, Papa, me
I
and
wonder
a
if you know
coward.
say I play with her life.
Me play with what kind of life? Papa, you don't know me.
No, you don't know everything.
Papa, you don't know me.
Rock him.
You don't know me, Papa.
Rock him. Hold on. Rock
Papa,
him.
you don't know me.
Rock him.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. How many people? Watch out with your face. Yeah. Yeah. Rock him. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
How you?
Rock him. Rock him.
Hey,
Nobody there?
No. And we are doing a matter of fact if Cherry no see there, Cherry beat you.
You shut your mouth, you know. Me business about Cherry. Me never come to Cherry.
But if in the day and you did come here with a beat out your little skins.
Let me ask that question. Me look like me afraid of Cherry. Me
You
I
look
take
like
Cherry
you
man.
are afraid of him.
Me I take Cherry man and me will take.
Of course you
him
take
all in
Cherry
our
man.
face. Me take him all in our face. So why on earth would I afraid of Cherry? Anyways.
So we come here, pa.
You come with me, you know. Come.
Come with you go away.
We have Popeyes. You don't want
Yeah,
Popeyes?
KFC, me don't want no
We have
Popeye.
everything. Don't worry yourself. Come.
Yes, welcome to the end. This is the end. This is the end of the movie. But yeah, it's not the entire end for the movie. It's gonna be continued. Just share it, please. The more you share it, I more. Maybe we can carry up to 50. We know say go stop at 10. So the more I share, the more better. Come see the share. So the more I share, the more better for we. If we push it and see more people, it's going to be more people, more new people, more old people where we never see for this long time. Me I try to find them up to add them towards the series going. See if we can carry go episode 20 and maybe make it be a whole entire series right through the entire year. So we can go and laugh and giggle. But anyway, I want to tell you, go over to Empress GTV and Popeye Making a Difference Foundation. We are doing giveaway. I have the video to edit, to put up. I give away a few bags already and some kids get some booklets. So I'm gonna put up that in the video. So it's not gonna be on this channel, it's gonna be on Popeye and Empress GTV Making a Difference. I'm gonna put the link underneath the video so you kind of dip in the video and find it. Not in the movie entirely because some people go look it in the screen. It's not in the screen. Maybe we will put the name on the screen, but the link is going to be inside if you touch the view part. And I want to big up Axel, Empress G, Cynthia Reed, Stephine, Bogle. I want to big up, let me say nobody, Active, and Motherflex, and am I forgetting anybody overseas? Am I forgetting anybody else? Alright, big up everybody else I'm a member, because enough people overseas when I'm a member. I'm not really focused because too much phone number. So bless up.
just want to be friend.
You not a friend?
Yeah, man, my friend.
Oh.
What's your name?
Who?
Your name?
Oh, my name is Kayla.
You call me Trey. You know.
Oh, nice to meet you, Trey.
Yeah, so.
Me and the son. Oh, they are you.
Oh, I this one.
So you look a picnic?
No, you know me use the premiers.
Yes, dirty.
No.
So you could clear it if you come on the road?
I make you be so.
Oh, me a be something. No, so you come on the road, the clear the ears and you look hot girl like me.
So something wrong with me?
What's not wrong with you? You look like a child. I'm a hot girl, top
So me
girl.
clean my ears, me be like a... If me did the walk with the dirty ears now, you see me, and then I chat to you and go looking at me. They say, so your ears dirty?
You're looking at your ears.
You would looking at me ears?
When you do clean inside your face, me I look.
So you single though?
Yeah, me I love nobody.
You live in the area?
Yeah, I'm living so.
I'm have to go come visit on and then
Visit who? Me?
Can you
Yeah,
give me
no.
number?
Me not phone pam. Me not phone pam right now, but my parents them are mad so bad.
Me have phone.
Oh, let me give me
So,
number.
but your parents don't know about me.
But-
know about me.
If you want to get the coochie, you have to have money.
Money all this, baby girl.
She say money?
I mean,
You can give her
nice
50
girl like
grand.
you. I mean,
Yeah, you know.
that's it. No, me have it for me hard.
Let me give me number.
Give me number now.
Thank you.
So you normally come out here do?
Yes, me I don't come out, but me come out.
Oh.
So, me have to, me don't know, tell you, call me and later after I done chat to my friend, me call link you.
Skin clean though.
Yeah. You want to touch it?
You can't touch it?
Yeah, can't touch it.
Yes.
How much you say you have money?
Me have enough money, man.
Alright, bye.
Me go call you now. Make sure you have the phone, you know.
Yes, you have the phone, come on the money.
Boy, girl, let's sexy. You stay.
Are you me walk out for you?
You may come look for, but me have to stretch from early cause you already know me and the dog they don't listen to like me, so I did have to warm up my body for running.
They never back off for me.
That are you or your friend
So,
there.
Miss Everything like girl.
Speak.
Miss me only could pamper man done this so.
Aye.
But money, but me don't want him. But me don't know me I go do but long as me I get the money. I want the money.
Me understand it, but here you know. What if you continue to take one man money and when he come find you or something and you do something bad to you? How you go?
Not bad now happen. Because remember say you're my friend and you can't fight. And me can't fight.
Okay.
You beat him up for me.
Aye. Either ways, come and go back up again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me say yes already, girl. Me now walk past the dog them done this.
Well, I tell you where me I come from.
Where? Speak.
Over Joe, over the old man yard.
Where do over this?
I'm going to go wine for him so. I get
Tell her.
money. Mr. Girl, just wine so.
You just wine so?
Yeah, I still if you buy a little can grape. I'm going to stash other some money.
How much money I get for that?
20,000. I say only now since I be just wine. I'm just touch him, just rub him down. I'm just going mwah. And blow him kiss.
I can't me feel sense them not function right. You get so much money, you know.
But
But
I'm
do you
not-
think a $2,000 in figure and you get so much money?
You're not going with nothing. You steal out. You don't want nobody.
No, here you know. You see? Me did go over here, you know. But I know from us draw one. You see him brother one? Yeah, me go over there. And when me see old man say, anyhow you walk past and you twerk for me, me give you 100,000. Me say, no, that too enough. And so I say, me don't believe that. So he say, alright. Then he say, you want proof? And me say, yeah. He say, twerk. And me just turn around and go so. And when me do that, then no, me see man just start flinging money for me, so you want me grab them up. He said, do it again. He said, do it again. I make you 100 more.
Do it again.
Yes, me say when me do that, when me look girl and wife, me say come. Me say me just creep when me can't creep and me zoom gone. Me say, girl, when me reach up, me say, go. Me have to hide from my mother and something go put on the money. Yes,
You take so? You take so?
yeah, me say, it go like say we go over the toe. Yes,
Oh,
I'm
whatever,
going to jackpot. I know you I me say,
No,
anytime
listen.
me look now and wife that me see her come, so me grab up on me, grab up and me run go over. You see? Yeah. So
Tell me any other man.
Look how the clock thing done, man. I'm going to go back over the report again.
Next day I go me want come and me twerk too.
Yeah. And that's why me did a call meet you to tell you my good
Yeah,
news.
no, sir, that's easy, man.
Hello, sir.
Oh, I lost the last?
No, my last. Your family here?
What me look like? Me look like me not the fire?
I said, guy, first time me I see you.
Alright, first time me I see you. How we a try pull? Stun pa me? Eh?
Anyways,
No, talk and no touch. You're a stranger. Talk and no touch.
you sick, you have
The
no
last
you-
woman touch me, she breathe. Don't touch me.
Then that's nothing wrong with that.
No, nothing wrong with it. Don't say that. You can't say that. You don't know if me can maintain, baby. No matter. You see, uno woman, that's not always a pick the problem, you know. Because if you tell you, a man, you just go lead with the man.
You look nice though.
No compliment me. Me not look nice. Don't do it. Me look raggedy.
How about you?
Don't do it. Me pick me tell me that every
I
man.
first one woman actually attack you or something, make it like one so.
No. Come on, tell you.
Then what issue?
The issue is.
Something about you, man. Not tell us.
No.
You're nice.
Not tell me about no something about me. If you try to impress a man, be elegant.
Elihu?
Elegant.
Elihu?
Elihu.
Anyways,
No. Why you can't talk without the
my
touch?
name,
What's your name?
my name Alien.
Oh, alien.
Yeah.
Which one are the alien?
The person.
Oh, the person.
Obviously, I mean the person.
You don't sound like you because every time you tell us you don't touch, you still touch.
So what's you afraid of woman or something?
No, I don't afraid of woman. That's something you beg. Because anytime woman I beg, then start calm down nicely and start rub it down. It's just like when you text a man on WhatsApp and you say hey and the man say hey. Check them out. Me teach you how to beg when you look a fake self. When you text a man about hey and the man say hey, you don't know what's up. The man say nothing. When the man asks you, you start go bad. Because guess what? And when the man asks why, you start lead to the problem.
Me and other people are the same thing.
No.
Me
I try to show no woman feel like on the stomach. When only text man when you want something.
Alright, me get straight to the point.
Mm-hmm.
Me see how me like you. Me did that one day if you could have buy me a juice.
Same damn thing.
Awa.
Buy you a juice. I just know me, I mean I know you.
So now some people get to know each other.
Alright, you don't mind me can ask you, say, like how me just know you. You don't mind give me
If
a...
you ever.
See? So I'm trying to show you. So,
Woman and man are two different things. Come on, baby, get to know each other first. Like, no money for you, could have gone place, go. You know?
come here,
Chill.
coachy.
Just go drink, chill and relax.
No. Me have me picking, me not drink. Me have one girl picking me. And me no want jump. Me want make sure say me see every wrong that she do.
So you don't have no form of money.
Hello.
Like, fire or nothing.
Hello. Are you digital? Don't touch me. Back away. Please. Go and talk to pastor. I think you need blessing. Back away.
Just relax.
Me say back away.
Afraid of woman?
No, I'm not afraid of woman. Just back
So
away
they
from
can't act so weird.
Can you move like digital?
Just
Back away. Don't come near me. You hear me? I say?
I've been for that.
I shut your back so tight. You see?
Sit. You have money.
I will shut. Open up your mouth. Let me make Wally talk. Just
You don't like me.
open up your mouth.
Make it talk now, but you know, the right way.
Girl, go on where you go. Unu go make man take unu away and bury unu. Call me to licky. Go on. You're not unu me a dollar in my wallet. Go on. Go on. I'll phone the
You
mama.
afraid of woman? Boy.
I'll phone the mama and father. I want to know how they maintain unu. For me go to one dumpling a day.
my mind. So your father all there?
How me forget man, I'm just tell you what me do and get nearly almost 100.
Get one man come put in here. Me tell me go do. Me go start borrow your house. You know find there can my little spooky doing there. Can I know you stop?
Oh, you can't do that because my father rarely there. Sometimes he got drink rum and so and from when him say want cut out that the habit there, I know he can't cut out.
We come tell one man if you do one day. So if I drink a drop it out, hold it on the road and beat him.
No, me not beat me pa. I him give me look at something sometimes. You better you say when he did that we can roll him down one hill and some, but we not beat him. That
But we not beat him hard.
How we are there? I can't go on the road in peace and come back and see nobody here. Eh? What me always teach you, sir?
And we might talk to.
we ever teach me say
It's
that.
sweet.
Yeah?
Huh?
We ever teach me say
I teach you that. I tell you not to follow bad company.
I tell you not to follow bad company. But I don't see the bad company.
No.
let me help you look.
No, me know say a mad somebody you are follow. And you are follow him mad. You are
No, you say bad company, so me I look for it because me know say I no share bad company. You can't
Me
see
only
somebody
found
where we
fog.
can't see.
Blow in my eye, blow in my eye, blow in my eye. I'm still not see it, so I don't know where they talk about. My bad company there. Eh?
Daddy come
My bad
on.
company there.
I rum, my rum I make you see doubles in no daddy.
Eh, come and I want to argue with people.
Me say I go to school, right? And you're out school. I'm a plan to say I go to sixth form. And she say she a pastor daughter, matter of fact. And I see you want to follow.
Then a good son that a pastor daughter she be.
Right.
Me a follow her so that me can get closer to
I'm a
God.
father, the pastor, not me. My father.
Right.
I'm not a Christian. And them are the Christian. I'm not a deacon. And them are that. Never me. I never go to church to do all of that. But anyways, girl. What? You know, you have up me, you know, come on, sit down, but you know, you really have up me, you know.
So you're gonna be paying your way, you know?
No, before that, me I try to look over me, try something first.
What that?
So I want to this one.
So me I try to show you. Stop notice people wallet. Stop notice people wallet.
Oh, you know, see what you have there.
Stop it. Stop it, man. And you sit down. Sit down.
I look, me want to look.
Sit your backside down. We talking.
You know, you're really handsome.
Really? Come on, come
Go
on.
top look my father.
Your father got money. Me want money, man.
So tell me, if my father got money, you really think so we'll live here? So, come on, the condition of your house.
Come out of my yard.
Anyways, let's go check my man right now, because your father not going with nothing.
Go on.
You see, if you ever see you bring her back here, you see them 2 foot there? Now pop them so.
Daddy, you're barely there. So if me bring her, yeah, you're not gonna see the pop me foot there. So.
Okay. So you me barely there. You can't come here. Alright, if you think you're bad, can't come here tomorrow. Can't come here tomorrow if you think you're bad. Me I go on the road. Can't come here tomorrow.
Go on.
Because just use me too and man clap in your ears them together. Go on in.
Me not ready to go in.
Me say go on in. Go on in.
Every time you're abusive, so that's why mommy left you.
Your mother left me because me know the truth about her. Go on in.
Which truth that there? So
You
never
don't,
tell.
you don't even know. Alright, that's how I feel. Yeah?
Me tell you, say at the time, at the month, bill bottom hurt me, that's why it hurt me bad.
They can't know where you live.
In due time, we know that, man. No worry about that, as soon as start me live.
You need to stay a little bit time now and relax in my place.
Relax in your place and touch up here and everything.
You can't be good.
We can't do that behind. So, I work 50 grand.
You mean you don't see your body look good?
Oh, you're going to lie. Me promise some money, they're going to get.
It's all good tomorrow.
No, it takes 5 days to get.
5 days. So that's the wait for more than 5 days.
Yeah, let me call Link and
This
fix
is
it
what
up
I like,
properly.
I'm not going to wait for 5 days.
Alright, back home. Bye. Here?
Best day warm in my chest.
Yes, thank you, warm. Bye. Go on over now?
I'll go over.
So go on.
Make sure you text me now.
Yeah.
Alright.
Later.
Later.
Take on those part me if you come on my yard.
What we plan to do with Kayla?
Well, she have big girl and she have one subject. That's how we have to do.
Have 5 subjects Kayla have, you know. Kayla have 5 subjects, you know. And when if you talk to Kayla, you know, last night I get a vision about Kayla, you know, and the vision I get was not a good vision, you know. He kind of a sire. Me get a vision last night, man. It was not a good vision about Kayla. When if you talk to Kayla before we go to work.
So what kind of vision I get about her?
After when we go up on the road, we talk.
No, we have to talk about it right now. So no, me want to know what kind of
We
vision I
can't
get
talk
about
about
her.
it now.
Why?
We need to talk to Kayla first.
Well, if you say you can't talk about it now, and I feel with data, and you can't talk about it now, me need to talk about it now.
Kayla,
I don't feel comfortable.
Yes, Daddy.
come here. Come here, my daughter.
My daughter has good daughter, so I know what kind of vision you see with it. Yeah?
We need to talk to you now, Kayla.
No, Daddy, me not do nothing.
Kayla, you have 5 subjects. Kayla, I know why you follow no company, you know, Kayla. I know grow you see no Kayla. I grow now one Christian home, you know, Kayla. Kayla, you have 5 subjects and some company, me say you keep, you know, Kayla. It's not a good company, them, you know, Kayla.
But I'm not with my friend, them. They're alright, they're not bad.
Oh, you know that, Kayla.
Because I'm my friend.
Kayla, me I talk to you. Me your father, me love you, no. You're my one daughter. Me love you, Kayla. Me no want nothing to you.
Hey. Don't listen to him. He say he get a vision about you. And me ask you what kind of vision I get about her. And she can't tell me.
What kind of vision I get, mommy?
Kayla, me get a vision last night, say, one girl beat you.
Me?
Kayla, me get the vision last night. You know anything when your father go in bed, go sleep and dream and get up and see. I see him so you go, Kayla.
No, that dream didn't walk straight.
And you can go walk straight in,
Thank
Kayla.
you. There's a gym don't walk straight.
This a dream I go walk straight in,
You
Kayla.
know walk straight.
And you see with you know as a mother must set a mother responsibility. Stand up as a mother for your daughter. You get what me I say?
But
told
so
you have to do this.
listen to me. Adapt me. I do. You see, I get a vision. And me tell you, say, talk about the vision. And stop telling people nonsense.
Then me not talk about the vision. And me tell me say me go and me
and me I tell you, say, no go so.
Alright, nothing go so.
No go
you
so.
wait until push come to show. You will see if nothing
No
go
go
so.
so.
And as a mother, you see all you?
Alright.
You see all you? No follow.
No follow.
See all you?
Yeah, but I go here bed and dream about something.
Right.
You can't go bed and dream.
Because God give me a gift.
Thank you.
There's a gift that God has given me.
Playing?
God give me the gift there. So you're my only daughter. Me get a vision. Me must can talk to you.
Kayla,
Yeah.
what one?
Tell me there, girl, you good?
Yes, I am very much good. Tell me
Hey!
why you're morning.
Stop.
Good morning.
Okay.
Good morning.
Say that, see me. I saw me
Good
visible.
morning, Mr.
Good morning.
Okay.
And good morning, Mrs. Smith.
Okay.
Yes. I saw you every time me come up here to you, your family Lord.
I thought them say they have a vision for me.
No, not
Oh.
me.
Oh, my father said he get a vision say somebody beat me.
Either ways, me come to invite you up on the road. You coming?
Yeah, me I come.
What's your
No, we
You
not
know
do
what
nothing
to
bad. We are going library, we are going study.
Kayla, you can't say me no want you, Kayla. Kayla, you can't say me no want you.
Oi, you tap your hands, you know. Who's friend? Come here.
No, me at best. Me tell you
Which
library, we
one
are
is?
going to study, you know.
We are going to library go study.
Yes,
All
now
right.
we plan to
Did
do
you
fifth
tell me about
form.
library?
No, Miss me tell about library. It slipped me mind. It slipped me mind.
So all that's with remember.
Because of library and she motivate me to go. I don't want to go, you know. The one time.
Mr.
So-
Lincoln, you need to fix your veranda here. A while ago, I think say this did start about January, the most minute after
So why you go to see one back?
Well, and them you out of that company. I'm afraid you say
No,
you
yeah, I don't alter that.
alter
A safety precaution. Me I tell you, what if no you did come here and sit down here so and then you jump off? How we go? You can't say me about 1 year no. You see me?
You're not go for a ground.
But
The greatest thing you're not go for a ground.
Alright, here now everybody. You make sure you do your phone already now.
You left the yard?
Don't left the yard, come here
Alright.
work and me no want late.
Okay, we not left the yard. We not but left the yard.
yeah, we not bad. Me I go just go down and go for book them and we come back up as a course.
No, nobody would have in the book. Me have book in my house. Oh, you borrow them Bible.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have to keep the portion.
You know, I got work, Daddy.
Yeah, me I go work.
Okay.
I'm going to work.
Have a nice
But make
day.
sure me come back, me see in the yard.
Yeah, come
And
back
when me mean in the yard, we mean in the yard.
Yes, right, you said at the yard.
Read me lips. In at the yard, me want to see you when me come back.
In at the yard, you want to see me when you come back.
That what I just said?
Yeah, in at the yard.
Okay, so I'm going to work
In at
now.
the yard, yes, yeah. Yeah,
I got work now.
So what you want me to come back for you? Anything.
Anything
Come back here.
Hey, anything say that shop. Yeah.
Come back 100.
Alright.
So anyway, me I come go work and make sure say me see unu in the yard. Me see you in the yard.
Me in the
and
yard.
don't go on the road because if vision on me get, me think say one girl beat you.
You see you?
You see the face.
Hey, stop it there, Ben mate. I get to see your face. You see how your face look?
How my face look?
You don't see a stain on the grass?
No. Me no know snake on the grass. I am a very honest kid. I grew up with my
Anyway.
grandmother in church.
Anyway, me I got work. I mean, I want it.
Anyway,
Bye, mommy, bye.
me I come go work myself too. And me no want late myself. And make sure say me come back and sit in the yard. And
Right,
when
that's
me in the yard and don't follow no company.
See, mommy, I'm going
And you
to
say if you not teach me picnic nothing good, don't keep in company. Because this is a Christian home. I saw me grow my picnic.
Yes,
You get what me say?
Yes.
Alright.
Yes, Daddy. Yeah.
Yeah, girl, you really make this so don't have to do something. Come on,
Let me
girl.
talk to them. Because
But we are,
we could be too late. We can't go with the far. Man, I which girls so think them bad if you want to beat me.
One day. Either way, come here. Look here. You see when we go around, we're going to create our own destiny.
Yeah.
You can't make them tell you what to do. Yeah.
No, nobody can run my head. I want to do road, me young, I want to do road, I want to mash up
how you
road.
put up with them for so long. They might come talk about, oh, you know, fit this way, you
When I
know,
go
fit
move,
that.
when I go move.
You can't call it with me, no?
Yeah.
Eat.
Where you yard? Where you
What
yard?
type of friend you be?
But
Me yard, they done this, so you know, come at me yard. Every time I come there, you want to make tin mackerel missing.
that little broke down board house there. You can't move outside, come down there.
But Koya, feel better?
You kind of better than yours. Because right now, it's something in my mind. If you
Come there, must go.
You have to see me doing now.
Me know.
You again. You again.
Meet again.
Oh, no, we don't meet again. We don't meet again. I'm free to walk on the road. You're free to walk on the road. You don't meet
Stop
me.
going like you don't like.
Me with charge of your harassment.
Oh, I'm telling you, I want to hear from that woman.
Me with charge of your harassment. Only when a woman look something, you know man. Listen,
Me not
this is
look
not.
nothing. Me can't. I like this and like you can't just relax.
Oh, you like me?
Yeah.
What you like about me?
Everything. You just look good.
Me look good.
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
You look nice. I'm like it. This is my touch.
Yeah, talk without the touch.
Me like your shirt.
Uh-huh.
Me like your pants. Me like your pants and
I search you outside the pocket and see. God, I show you a sign because you see your God a flashlight in because God right. Father asked me, oh, woman is only looking for man with money.
Me not look for the man with money. I try to tell you, say you look dapper today. You look very good. You put together. I like how you look.
Put together?
You look nice. You look like you can buy me a drink today.
Buy you a drink today?
Yeah.
You go to church?
I'm a... Me go one of them so. Me go, yes. Me go church. And the Bible says that we must not go against the Bible.
That's all you know?
Yeah, and it's that a woman who finds a man finds a good thing.
No! It's not so it goes, bro.
Me believe in a Jesus!
Yeah,
and
yeah.
he sent me right here to do that. You are
Yeah,
the man for me.
You believe in a Jesus and
Yes.
you say the righteous and you say me are the right
Yes.
man. A lion.
Oh.
That's a lion.
Look how you look.
That's not Jesus talk to you.
Talk to you. You
Yes.
don't look nice.
Yes, Jesus.
What happened? You know what I mean?
Huh?
You know
When it's just appropriate.
So me not dress appropriate.
No.
Me a long twice a long blouse.
Anybody when we tie for show they look up in front of them, it's not a good woman. Anybody right try if you push up them boobs to man and I rub down man pocket and I check if money in the pocket here or money in this one or money in the back pocket, it's not a good woman.
Oh, you guys are stingy. That once and
It's
me
not
I like
stingy.
me like you. I like you. Listen up. I like you. I mean
No. If you really like me, you don't approach me like that.
Me like you but true.
No.
Me sorry. Me approach you later. We'll meet again.
No, the wrong approach. Do it again. Do it again. Let me show you.
Hello.
No.
Me not in this video. You like me or you don't like me?
Oh, you're going to be a real lady. Okay. You see, if you want a good man,
Yeah.
this is how you get a good man.
Yeah. Oh, I get it.
If I walk, you see me walk past on the road. Excuse me, sir. Can I have a little minute to see? You call him over, right?
Yeah.
You ask him his name. You ask him where he's from.
Yeah.
You get to like, you tell him, say,
No, I'm listening. Yeah, listen to you.
where you from, right? You ask him all of that.
Yeah.
You take his number.
Yeah.
You say, let's be friends. You take his number, you get to know him. You get to know him background. You get to know for your background because some of the background dirty.
Feel my background clean. Clean like picture frame.
Some of the women don't got the grip, but you don't got no grip.
I got the glue, the grip and the glamity. Me have everything.
You know what you have?
Me have a vice grip.
You know what you
That's a
have?
vice grip. That's the grip that I have.
You know what kind of grip you have?
Yes, the miss grip. Grippy.
You ever cut a guava?
Mm-hmm.
Right. And when you see that?
See that is.
Good. You know what that means? I just play fart your chat right now, play seed in your head to go on in your yard.
I want that dusty man. But wait, I must get something for you. Okay, I can't find it.
I'm tired, man. And you do not walk up and me do already walk up because I chat to you. Is it easy to scam people?
Me did send if we go do that job, did not you pick up that professional.
More money.
Same.
Pimp him again. Oh God, the poor boy. But you know, you say no sense. You need to change. You know no sense. You fool. You fool for me. I'm an idiot that.
That's why I just say my pay there and take your money so.
But you know, no girl could do me that. You're idiot. But you make sense? Play your mad part there.
In gone from the road, in gone from the road. Most likely we want run bar and go meet.
Oh. You understand. But girl, me know you feel no way, so me make a see the man but I true me way you give me like a twerk dance. No man.
See which man?
Eh?
See which
Pastor man.
See which?
The pastor man.
We got Bible study and one man did one look shit. I'm a walker and
Me don't want you. Me don't want you. When listen me, I want you, right? I want you.
I want or say I want. Show you say you know you're a sick girl.
Me not tell you to come back in the yard.
Why no back in your yard?
How your father is a blasted idiot. You know, she say he's a bad little picnic. And a thief and a criminal.
No, he's a blasted idiot. For realize your daughter is an idiot.
Why? I'll say this.
You see? Show me your friend and me tell you who you are. He's a bad cat to pick like a sheep.
Me no bad cat. I feel apartheid jeans this year. I feel apartheid jeans.
Which part? Are your mother part of jeans again?
No.
You whole lot, you don't see a favor of mama. You don't favor me.
You me favor. The only thing me do come out for here.
So I call me ugly?
Indirectly, yeah.
I call I ugly?
Indirectly.
Stop it kind of ugly, because I see my life, my own. And you're the only man ever refused me.
Hello.
Don't crackers, behave yourself.
You still a piece bed. Breast milk still there in your mouth. So I don't know what you're talking about.
That's what I want to.
Wow.
Daddy,
What?
Daddy.
What?
He said talk to you.
No,
Let me
listen.
talk to you, no? She not said talk to you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Which part did it take?
I was on the road.
Doing?
I'm big nose girl. Every time you see me on the road, my try to pimp me like me an idiot. A while ago, my try, oh, we meet up again. Can we deal with the stuff that was, I don't
Me not go pimp you.
Stop touch me, pa.
But me want your father, Are you the right man? Cause you know better, you know what is best.
You know what you do? It's one to one. One from the road.
Where will you go for your road?
I don't think this is you want
Who
to
you
go
want
on.
here come here?
No, me are going in bed. You go on the road.
We take one.
Good father.
One.
When me have go?
One out of the other chat to him. What me say?
Me say me not go nowhere.
Me don't want you back in here.
Yeah. Which part me have go?
Go.
Girl, me are wait by you now.
Come on, wait for you. One.
Me are wait by you. Oh, come for you talk to your father, no man. Talk to your father. Me want your father.
Just talk to me for where.
Me don't mean that way then.
What me just say a while ago?
Me wait. No, me not go nowhere yet. Me soon go on.
One. Come on, the yard. Out the yard.
Me say me not going nowhere. Sure.
Come pick me, come on. Say father, make you come out there. Come on now.
Make sure you cook and catch.
I'll test me. You test me.
Test me for what?
All right, man.
Yeah, go on in. Me come back with you.
Me soon come.
Come in. Come back with me. Come back with me now. All right.
Hello. Evening.
Evening.
So I can't go on, so
Yeah, talk to me, touch me, just touch me so.
because me like how you look.
Like how me look.
Yeah, you like my type.
I mean, just regular fishing, me have fishing.
That means you have money then.
So me fishing, that means I have money.
Then the fisherman not make money.
And I sell myself fishing, that means.
Then what you do? What you do for your
Catch fish,
living
I
then?
cook me dinner.
No, what you do for your living?
Oh, you're a businessman.
Oh. Business.
Me?
I like that. May I can start out something, you know?
Start out, what kind of something?
Stop going like you do.
I don't know, you said something we can start out.
How long you live on earth for?
Long.
So you must know when me say start out something, agree to something, make a plan or do something.
Oh, you want work-wise business you're talking about? Work-wise. I want
No.
you want to be fishing buddy. I want to be fishing buddy.
Or something with body, but me no know.
That's something with funny.
Think about it, you know. You have money. Yes. You have both your money.
No.
So we can do something then.
No.
Yeah, right now. Just make sure you have money, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, money.
So how will you live? Alright, that's where you live?
Yeah, just out of the yard me I come from.
So where you want with it?
Are you they make plans, you know, Mr. No, me I make the plans, I make the plans.
Just make sure you have money. Once you have money, everything go good.
So, if me don't have money, and I don't know.
No. But if you do that without money.
Yeah, come.
Yeah, come on.
Sure.
Yeah.
Me no ramp.
That one is you can't do it. Take your money, choo-choo, do.
Me this fella here thinks me nah, man. No, me need bother to go out. No, I can't go to the beach and I'm going tired and I can't go catch no fish.
Anyways, the money.
Oh, the money. Hold on. Well, listen now.
How will you take me for? Where money? Where money will you say have in your pocket?
I have no money for me.
So I trick me? I trick me?
You know, trick you know me. You see me, you don't know me from Adams. You just say, I'm just
And you just brr. After you tell me say I have money, where money there? Where money? Where money? And money me I look
So
money.
let me get the money.
You can't just walk me right on me now. Whole heap of pain and them belly bottom and this like tell me say you not no money.
Money.
Hey boy, why you not? Why here? Happy book you. I'll let this come on.
Yeah.
Oh, what good? Me what first me see her. You can see her run.
Me ever see her around.
Shut your mouth.
I'm gonna ask you say, I hold a girl. I think you know everybody.
So that she come up with something.
You know what you need. Hello.
You're so brawling and just walk up and touch people themselves.
What's your name? Will you touch me for? I'm not touch you for. I'm seen in the area.
Me. So, me knew.
You know where you come from?
Which part you live?
Me not have to tell her that.
No, such a
The girl
brand.
come in our area and now gone like you want to try this way for me.
So,
Girl, me bun the nose.
bad so?
Yeah. So,
Hello, yes, my name is Kayla. What's yours?
Here.
Kira. She's like Kira.
so 3K, Kayla, Kira.
Alright, choke down friends.
No.
Not true.
No,
Right.
she not have no manners when I like it.
You have manners.
Ask her again, because she not
Don't
known.
speak up in my face. Chop.
Stop being so.
so. Stick.
Hello.
Thank God you feel
Hello. You know, come this my friend. Now what she say about stick? Don't be
Then
start
talk
on
to your
you.
friend.
Behave yourself. As me as you know, so I will live away.
No matter.
Your mother? So your mother move come from?
Same thing.
Same thing? Oh, so I'm gonna move.
Nothing.
So just move and come in or something? Unless I get a life, yeah? Oh, mommy has a different skills. Where you go?
Me not gonna do it. Me not
You
gonna
should have a party.
I beg she vex and gone.
Make she go on.
You talk about make she go because my number one friend that.
Then go on too.
My God, take me touch this thing, ma'am. You send me here.
You're bad so?
I'm more than bad, so.
Alright.
So everything alright? Girl, walk come on here, so. We have a conversation about life and prosperity.
Yeah, girl.
So you know, man?
You don't have no man else here come. You want one man, me. Go look one man.
Eh?
Yeah, rich man do.
Man, which man you look at me and you can't want man in here. Man, which man you
One
look?
cute black boy, not you?
You see cute black boy? You can have come and juke out your eye.
It
Me
why you
and
have to
me
go
still-
fight for him.
No, me not fight for nothing. Come me just...
As me as a girl, you want some money.
Don't get money from
You
me.
know what money?
What are we can
You
do?
want man. How we got road.
No, or you can go sell your body from the bridge.
Me and you.
Why?
But you tell me if you do that, what we have to do it.
No, me not do that, baby love.
Then me not do it either.
Look how, look girl, listen to me. You have the face, you have the body, you have everything. You will get any man you want. You understand?
You understand? As a friend, it's what we
You
have
can't
to
go
do.
thief.
Girl,
You got church.
you got
Yes.
church Sunday.
Hello.
And the library, yes, daddy.
Are you say library? You say you come?
No, library, me I come from daddy.
Which library you talk about?
The library downtown.
Library downtown?
Yeah.
Kayla,
Eh?
you tell me say you live go library.
Yeah.
And the library are roadside there upon Kayla.
Daddy, I walk, me follow. Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Hello.
Hi,
Who are you?
my name is Kira.
Kira. And who are you to my daughter?
She's my friend.
She's your friend. Okay, you know, he's a Christian, you know, a certain type of attitude, you know, really tolerate, you know. You understand me?
Yes, I
And me
understand.
teach him, I always teach him, say, don't keep no bad company.
What's your real bad company?
Me can't admire that. Are you a Christian?
Yes, sir. I'm a church.
Which church? Hold on. So, oh, you're a Christian and you're just so. Look
no
at all
fi
your
me
neighbor.
clothes.
Look at all your neighbor ring and them something. The Christian not utter yourself. You don't only give Christian bad reputation.
That doesn't say.
You come here, you never talk no bad.
Right.
You come here, you never talk about nothing bad, no man, nothing bad. We come here, you never talk about.
Look here. Me not have to come here but talk about nothing bad. Look on the girl dress, or girl dress. And I see a bad company she a pick up.
Look where your daughter in a way a Christian. Leave her alone. And you come here going.
But number one,
Listen to me. You don't come here going. You never talk about no man.
Me never tell Kayla to left the yard.
You
said me go to the library.
She alright, I will upward. She said she go to the library. I will say, oh.
But when she go to the library, me never see her in something. I know something like that she wear. I could never that you go to the library.
No, I want to have no clothes. See me, daddy.
I'm in the
left the yard. I'm in the left the yard neither. Concentrate yourself. Thank you, lick you. Right. Turn up yourself. Christian, I feel lick with.
Anyway, since I say you're a Christian, we have some Bible study and something up for we. I'm not interested. They're interested?
I want a good friend. Listen to me, they're good friend. See, next one I did have. Yeah. Eh? I never say she a bad company, you know, but I can stick to she more.
Yeah, that friend, let me see how we talk to. Across is that, but guess what?
No, Daddy, don't do that.
You look like you will change.
Me prefer next friend. Right. Me prefer the next friend too. My number one friend.
Me
right.
look like one Upwoodland's mother. No disrespect.
No, it's my daughter.
You look like you will.
No, but listen. Hello, no, listen. Remember, I don't know
your
you.
face. No, stop our face, can go on yourself.
I know that. Remember, say you're Christian, no, Daddy. Me I don't know.
Anyway, come on. Anyway, come. We are go for you, because we are Bible study later. Come. Look up. Okay, look up.
Girl, who your mother and your father turn so?
They're not Christian. What are you saying?
Mama, you can't be.
Because I'm not me to live with you. It just me they want to look day and have problems.
If they deal with me, if they talk so, how they deal with you?
Worse, they chat every day, they get up there and chat, they read Bible. Sorry, coach.
I'm going to go tonight. One party, I keep down the road.
You can't go on the road tonight. I'm sorry.
You're too fool.
No, it's not a matter of foolishness. Me put the house night yesterday, but yes or no?
Climb through your window.
No. Me not gonna know left my friend and my friend not like you. So we can't go on the road. Me have to back up my number one friend. Kena, she's my heartbeat. My wonderland. She's my friend. Understand?
Yeah, me
so
understand.
But we need to get a man so man can. Hi, mommy.
Hi. You know.
Yeah.
You get ready?
Yeah.
You get ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Where does you come from?
I live right down the road, but we moved from St. Elizabeth.
Okay. So you work?
Yeah, me work.
Which part of work?
One supermarket.
Where's supermarket name?
Mr. Chin supermarket.
You can get to work down there for you?
Yeah, me can get one work for you, yes.
No.
Yeah,
oh,
me
you
work.
Me can't leave school and jungle look up so quick. No, it's all I want supermarket work. I don't want to work.
Nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with supermarket. No, I got school for 5 years and I now come and left go work on supermarket. You're mad.
So who never got school?
Probably you have 5 subjects. Me have how much you got?
You don't have to tell her that, girl.
You don't have none. I don't have supermarket with me. Daddy get me a job which part him work.
Well, call him.
Me get a high class job.
Well, call him and tell him that.
Yes. Daddy! Boy, you want people work at supermarket? Without a bother. Look at the supermarket.
Yes.
Come here.
Yes, my nice clean daughter.
Yeah. We need that work because mommy that time when want to work at supermarket.
What kind of supermarket work?
No, ask mommy that.
Hello. My daughter can left school in 5 subjects and thinks him go work at supermarket. We never send him go to school for work at to work at supermarket.
So wrong with supermarket work.
Listen to me. Our people are not no subject. If I go do teaching and go do police work or do something else, or me get work done at the place where me I work.
If you go turn police, man go be informer.
And every police are informer. Me tell you that.
Every police are informer.
You can't use everybody frat for everybody frat. You see, me tell you something. What kind of work? You see, any work you want me, I will make you be the make you do the work. You get what me I say? Yeah. Nobody go talk about you go work on supermarket and this. Let them let the people on no subject. You understand me? A 5 subject you have, sit down pan. You have maths, English, you have maths, English, social, bio and physics.
Shut up
You
your
can't
mouth.
get good job.
Shut up your mouth because me have subject and when me have subject I still work at
You
supermarket.
see, you as a mother, I'm going to tell you, with you as a mother now. With you as a mother, you need to put your pitney, you need to make your pitney pull up in socks.
More money, yeah?
And teach your pitney sense. And I talk about for work at supermarket.
So what not with supermarket work?
I don't want me to
Say something.
No, we
No problem.
You ever talk about people when I have subject work at supermarket? What wrong with supermarket?
No wrong with
And me and
supermarket work.
No, I was not talking to you, you know.
You
Me
look
told
like
me
a
stone in a
little
acting, you know. I mean, me never tell you to ball out, you know. Me say me don't want me daughter work at no supermarket.
But I miss
That's what I just said. Read me lips if you don't understand what me say. Me
Which one you
no
want?
want me daughter work at no supermarket.
No do your mouth so.
I feel your motor off me.
Enough fit you.
I feel your motor off me.
Stop it.
Sorry, sir.
Which one you say you want to work?
Yes, I want to work at a stripper.
Hey!
No, I
You know
want
that
hotel. I want hotel, daddy. I want hotel. Yeah, the
I'm gonna
hotel.
tell you something.
No,
You see
no,
anything
no.
with stripping? Or strip in or strip out or strip under? Me know why you
I
this
don't
up.
understand, daddy.
No.
No, daddy.
Me already
I want
understand.
club name so.
I don't want club.
No, I out of that. Me know why you working in a strip or nothing.
Daddy, you don't
So
make me
wait.
talk. You don't understand.
Supermarket no better than club.
Right.
I know club.
Alright. Supermarket better than club.
I know club.
Anyway, we are going to keep looking Bible study. And we have to talk about the Lord because in everything we have to put God first. No, say go.
Yeah, but that
Listen to me.
hotel.
There, but guess what?
Yeah, strip
Listen to
Lord.
what I said. You see, the Lord come first. If you not have the Lord in you, you can't work no way. The Lord, the Bible come first. So you see, somehow we say somehow we not get you in life, you know, cause guess what? We spiritual maga in the spirit. Only thing we want a man. That's
So
not
you
can you go
see,
nowhere.
everything you want a woman.
Hello, Miss One Burner, don't do that.
I'm eat me a wipe out.
Wait there.
No listen to where back.
So we are going.
Wait no you never have woman when I go to school.
When me I go to school, that was back then.
Yeah,
I was a gallus.
Well, me did have man when me I go to school. She know she must can get one little man. Because she
Imagine.
not gonna live under my roof is so
Imagine this big old booba back mama. I come talk influence a man in a family picnic life. You can't do that.
Get a rich man, you hear?
You can't do that.
Get a rich
Let
man.
me tell you something. Don't listen to what your mother say. Focus on your education because education is the key toward to success.
Listen,
Without
she have a
education,
son.
you
Listen
can't
to me
reach
now.
nowhere in her life. Listen
Hello.
to me now.
She have a 5 subject.
And she can get job.
Yeah, she can get job, but she need a man to calm down.
And I say go. And I say go.
Oh, you mean I say
Yeah.
go?
And I say go.
How you go then?
Oh, you want to be a lesbian?
Mom.
And I say go.
Take a look at
Maybe I'm going to go in
Get
the
a
house.
rich man, yeah?
Because you jam me tongue, you know.
Get one.
See, come my tongue short. You know, go jam your
Listen
tongue.
to me, can get a look at rich man.
Yeah, come here, come love you.
Alright, just get a look at rich man. Yeah.
My son can't talk Christian. You're not Christian.
Nothing wrong with Christianity if you get a man.
Listen to me. Go in your yard. You know nothing good for do. Find your yard. You see nothing good for do.
Anyway, me are going.
See my good up mother live on my side. They want to take her from my side.
So here me I say to you now. You see certain pharma company, me know what you keep. You get what me I say? You know you talk to you. Me I talk to you, come out of your phone. You hear what me I say?
What you say?
You think of your mama this? You think of your ugly mama this? We are broke your bad. Look for me good. I'm here your father and listen to what me I say. Hear what me I say to you now.
Me I say.
You see, certain type of company, me know why you keep. And when you get a good job, you understand me? Me know why you sit down and walk up and down for road like a then somebody way down a Sablaman market, the madman they way down there. More you get a good job. You're a nice girl.
Well, you're not,
As a father to a daughter, me I talk to you. This is not your mama, because your mama not no sense.
How you know that?
Your mama is a mad woman.
Listen to me. Me tell you what they say. Yesterday they say, we want to work. A strip. Strip is a hotel where they talk about God.
You can't tell me nothing about God, you know. Because strip is nothing now that you talk about no God.
Then
You get what
strip
me I say?
God. Then strip God.
Who strip God? Me never see that in our Bible. Nothing that never in our Bible. They crucify God.
Oh,
They never strip God.
oh.
You understand me? You're a good girl. This is a Christian home. And certain type of company no go go call down demons in for me house. Me not run them joke there.
Nothing wrong with my friend.
Because me other day one demons in there so me asleep with already. You get what me I say?
Upa, show them the demons. How me not see it?
Now your mama me attack when I teach her nothing good as a mother to her daughter.
But you can't call my mother demons.
No, me I go tell you because she a broke you out.
No. How you move to be the demons?
She a broke you out like a day store. Now them people got hospital with big on them big on dirty ugly sore on their foot. Yeah. So each time she attack to you, come like a sore and get the inside like a heal up.
Kayla. Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Want me?
Talk to you, please.
Yeah, come in. I'm free to come here.
Now answer a question. Stop right there, sir. You don't see me I talk to her?
Say, but me call to you.
You call to me, yes, but you see me I talk to you, not to share excuse.
Come on, come. My mother love you, so come in. No man, no pay my father, no man.
You know me I say, Kayla.
Daddy.
You're a picnic.
Mommy! Me what tell me,
Your mother can't help you. You're a
Mommy!
picnic. You get what me I say?
Mommy,
I'm gonna grow you so.
Mommy!
Listen to me, but your mommy, you want to shame me. I'm going to shame you in front of your friend. I'm going to tell you, say, you know, your mother this, and your papa this. You get what me I say? Who is she?
I'm a friend.
And she a broke out, you know, talk about strip and strip and this and strip and that. Eh? You hear me I say? And you another one too. You other one. Listen to me.
I want out here.
You shut off your mouth, you know.
Want out here.
You shut up, you know.
Me say want
You
out
are the other one. You are the other one. You just come in and I come say me can't talk to you out of and bright so. You see me have a serious conversation with me pitney and you come with your I don't know what you say.
Want out here.
And jape me up.
Yeah, me jape him up. Me jape her up.
So me tell you she can't come in.
And you see the reason why me jape her up?
Listen,
because you see you're not a good mama. You're a workless mama.
Yeah,
you're workless. Imagine.
Look here.
Imagine. Listen to me now.
You shut up.
Man, how you doing now?
Shut
imagine and listen to what me I say.
Shut up. Yeah, when me I tell you, say me prefer she. That me say, and that me mean I do not jab her up again.
And you call a bullbuck. And in this chance, your demons are sleeping in my bed.
So if you don't say me demons, you're married to me for in the first place.
Yeah?
You know what? It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. You know what me I gonna say to you now? It's alright. It's alright. Continue, Shelly pick me so. Shelly pick me so.
Huh? What on,
Me there. Good morning. Good morning. Me say, Kayla, there's not one time when me come here with your yard door festive. Either ways. Me had something to chat to you about now.
Yeah.
You see?
Talk.
Me don't rate that, you know.
Where don't rate?
And me are your friend from childhood days.
Yeah.
You know me how long.
Yeah.
And how she reached your yard before me.
Because my mother respects she more than you.
Oh, me no business. Oh, me business. Yeah.
Oh.
But girl, I don't rate that. You see, I mean your friend in Kayla, you say I mean I'm gonna be bestie till the was part. And you say you just dash.
No. Me no dash away. I do no want walk with she and me and she they walk. You understand?
Kayla, you already see me and
Alright, you what me I say? Me not want no pick the confidence. So yeah. Soon.
Kayla, so me I say Kayla, me no rate that. I mean I have friend from how long Kayla, you dash more for she. She where you just know. You don't even know her Kayla. Yesterday me walk in and think nice. Shut up, me chat
Don't
with
tell
friend.
me to shut up.
Don't come here come indulge yourself in our conversation.
Listen to me. No, you shut up, shut up.
Shut up now. I want to do out now.
You not gonna disrespect my friend. Don't disrespect my friend.
And you can't go disrespect my friend in a fiancé yard.
What
You
me
kick
do?
you from here.
What me do?
You can't do me nothing, me just not like you.
Why?
You come like Lasco face and chocolate, but you look on you.
How
You feel about Pinedo. Go on your ways. Me know. You have to tell me that beer buckle.
Check
Go on
back
your
tomorrow.
ways.
Check back tomorrow. You know man. Check back tomorrow. Friday.
Check her back tomorrow. Go on.
Move up.
That's why you want to go work at stripper club.
Move man.
You look like go.
I talk to me. I like you when you work in the supermarket.
Either ways. Girl, me call you so me you can go up and we walk as usual and we can just go up on the road.
Yeah, me say me want to go up and me want a man.
Yeah. You know a usual thing, just tell the parents them say we soon come back and so on. You see me?
No, we don't tell us soon come back. We don't head out of the yard now.
Oh,
Can't take my mad pack.
Hurry up
You know
and
what I'm saying?
run. Hurry up and run.
You feel work on road too.
Yeah, me have to run.
friend. What? Don't talk to my friend, so I'm not feeling good tomorrow for that mission.
Yeah, do it again.
You can't understand. You don't like her and she don't like you. Where you want to look?
Oh, so you're too she over me?
No, but I'm going to talk to you.
Do your thing.
Watch her. You only have manners to her so she can par with you too. She. I know she listen to me. Come put her here. I say, if you want to put me, come put her here. Sure. You're going to par with her then. Not at all.
Hey, girl! Give me like a pizza minute of the palm and laugh with them. Sure. I want dry dead money me have in my pocket. Me hungry.
God is good.
Billy, give me my money.
Which money me for you?
Girl, give me my money.
Nobody knows it.
Mommy!
Mommy!
Money.
No money for you, you Mommy!
All you
Nobody knows no money for you.
I'm telling you, check me, look at me. Give me my money.
Me not no money for you. Mommy!
I want money, me have in my name, and I'm not with you, know.
He come here, come push me down. Push
me
her back.
picking for.
Push her back.
No push me picking.
Right! Out of order. Daddy!
Your business, see me
You
money.
not leave no money for you, can't let the yard from her.
Right!
He not just sit down on the road.
He don't leave the yard from her.
I want to go on out here, sir.
She push her wife.
Not in my Christian yard. I know say go.
Let me tell you what happened. Your dry head Billy just took out me one money when me have in my pocket.
Jesus Christ. Me not believe that. My daughter no thief. Me no go my daughter
Why
so.
not thief?
Me go my daughter in a Christian home. My daughter no thief. No do that.
A little man thinks that tear me now and I post that relic butter I know. Me want me money.
Me no have no money.
Hold on.
She
Let
have
me see a
your money and
question.
she don't leave the
Hold
yard.
on. You hold on. You thief her money?
No, that him not live for you, right? To somebody all along.
Girl, you see them
You
bucket
swear
them.
me na
No money for you.
She don't leave the yard from her.
Me no go my daughter see some. Me no believe you.
Me did have 2 grand in my back pocket and you haul it out, you know, girl.
Me no believe you, cause me no go my daughter for thief. Me go my daughter in a church, Christian home this. No matter with that.
Out of order.
Hey.
Mark me word.
Go on out of the yard. Go on out of the yard, girl. Go on out of the yard.
Look here.
Go on out of the yard.
Nobody come in me here with a banga.
Me mark me word right now, so that I go share me a road and make me buck your ass and me no get back money.
Yeah, yeah.
Dry head picnic.
Yeah, either. Come on, me back in the car.
You want money, me have to come take you out of my back pocket. Thief now what?
God.
Watch, post, I go share me when you thief if you show type people them pot. Watch, and make the buck your
Hey, girl, come on, tell me you're in the car. Come
Make the buck you see a little go monkey.
Yeah, idiot.
Let the back turn up.
Me say, hey, no, you touch me that, and me a turn back.
See me not joke with you.
I know that.
Me want the money.
Hey, girl, come out of me yard. Come out of me yard with a banger. Come out of me yard.
I know that. Me make me file the last one. You see me when just take, you're gonna get a worse one.
Yeah, idiot. You're a fool. Better you come out of me yard. You're crazy. You come out of me yard with a look at the instruction. Say, I can't tell her about my daughter, but my daughter thief. It's not of my daughter thief. I saw what you said. Come out of me yard. Come out of me yard. Have you ever church, their old time church bell when they used to ring first time? Right on what order?
Right.
Yeah, another one too. Me not tell us every time in our yard.
Me no come out of the yard.
People don't.
You worry, because you don't see people
Yes,
come out of the
me tell us you're a wicked woman, you know.
You don't see people come out
Me
of the
go my
yard.
daughter with discipline, you know. Me no go me picnic, you know.
But you don't see she come out there.
Yeah, me left out of the yard.
You want go on?
You see string bean come here for him today.
I'll just shut up your mouth, you know, because you
You
don't go
know,
and
it's
you're
drinking
poiler, you know.
where?
You're poiler, you know.
Me not poiler.
Me say you're poiler, you
Me
know.
not poiler. Me no why you take no set for me picnic.
You know why before me just
Right.
go and go drink some water, because you're poiler, you know. I mean,
You know say me to go
you know,
to
say
the
you make Christian turn back. You make Christian turn back, you know.
But you're not Christian for a man, but you just turn back and done.
You know what I'm going to go in.
Papa, if you do, I like woman that tell mommy, lie. We never
Just
no
make
money.
sure say a lie.
We never left out of yard, so they are long.
Make sure.
Sure, 100% sure. Want some water though, make me tired, my head a hurt me.
One
She
one.
chop me.
One
Take
one.
it to go in your yard, and you mix up and blend. Come,
What's string bean?
ching bean gone.
Fiwa.
No, she just run gone.
What do you mean she just run down?
She get vexed and gone.
For what?
Me no know choose to say me I put her over bar.
So you know string bean long time, you see? And you put this friend over string bean?
No, not do that. String bean just jealous. She jealous.
But me not jealous. Don't touch me.
Let me get some water.
Me not do one if you want it.
The woman push me hard. Me not going to that upset. What you want?
So what make you push back the woman and didn't come here?
Look how she big. You see when you push daddy no push her back. Go on if you want her.
Go on if you want, I can't hear nothing.
Daddy they go beat me. Go on if
He can't hear nothing.
Go on in, mommy. Bye. Jump in there back on your mommy. Okay, what?
No, come out tired.
No, me not come out tired. This is she a go here to do whole of the money. You want it back? Oi! Criminal! Come on your teeth and money and the teeth you bring come.
What's the president feel with it?
Me not beg you give it to me. You're bright. You will take money and they run away.
But I me make your teeth.
This is your tool, this here.
When you're too teeth.
Go buy juice.
No man!
Go buy juice. I'm here your TV.
And I make money and I want money and I back me and do the whole life. I'm bright. Yeah, me that tool there make me.
Me go tell her mother sorry.
Me business. Me make my friend Donya. She a bad girl.
Alright.
Right.
Evening.
Where I come from?
Over my friend.
You love what about?
I don't walk about you never day and time boring.
Listen me, time can't boring in your yard. We're
We
not.
always born now we are alternative TV and I have to keep nobody company.
What about phone? You have phone, you don't need TV. Everything with on TV, they're on the phone. No. You have Google, you're on the phone. You have Netflix, on the phone. You have Disney, on the phone. You have where are the channel name?
Sometimes when the phone dead up, you tell me some of use the phone and chat. So when the phone dead, me know the phone dead, me can watch something on the TV.
You can't buy no TV right now. I cannot buy no TV. TV go entertain the friend them over here. I don't want them over here.
What make you not want them over here?
Then too, she bad. She say her father a pastor. And you see, oh, she got on. I look at him, look me. Eh?
Are you, if you never uphold with it, you would do it?
I did not uphold with it. I don't do that. I don't do those stuff. And when the time come and I have money, I buy a television. No, you don't worry about that.
What name, sir?
Television.
Television, TV.
Oh. Well, TV. What name?
TV.
Oh. So where you are question with them from? Anyway, shut up.
Daddy, me home.
Anywhere you come from, you should have make sure you did feed your full belly. That is the thing.
Me eat there, and then look at walk up, everything walk.
Can I help you? Morning, me have little crackers and sardine in there.
Every day you feed me for crackers and sardine.
Sprinkle salt on the sardine is nice. Not nice like that when you sprinkle salt on the sardine and eat with the crackers. If you have little pepper, you could have put pan the same time and eat it. Go on.
Me no want.
How what you want? You want steak? You want lobster?
I don't want a lobster, no more good food. If I have a chicken.
Oh, you want chicken? You want chicken? Check the fall when they run up and down.
You go catch you, I tell me to check.
Catch one of them, chop off the neck. Drop him in the hot water, pick off the feather, chop off the top part of them, put it on a pressure cooker and cook it. Adios, go on in. Kabush. Go on in, we never seen up on the road. What me say to you, sir? What me, I know you may talk to. Okay. I know you may talk to. Eh? You dumb? Go on inside, you're bright. I saw you say about your mama, continue to follow that little Jezebel. Continue to follow her. Man, yo.
wonder shall never end. The little thief get catch.
And I make it from
Oh, me no want hear that, you know. I want to see. So me no business. Give me money.
Where you get it from? Me the girl in your pocket?
Oh, so you no money if you give me none at all.
No.
Yeah, your friend a thief.
Me the
And
girl in your
since
pocket?
uno parents want beat you know and show no manners, me I go bust your ass today, girl. Let me go. Top thief. Top thief. Top thief. Yeah, you fi top. You fi top thief. Top thief.
I never me thief your money.
Top thief. Top.
I never me thief your money.
Here they are.
Yeah, man. For me thief money.
Oi. Oh, you want so bright?
With what?
What you do over here? Me think you had the wrong gun.
You hear that?
Eh?
Me can pass back out there, so?
You're a fool.
With
You can't talk about making little big fat cow beat you.
me can beat that the big fat Sunday.
What you mean? Would I help you? But I threw my bad girlfriend never did them in help. But me can't say you're a fool.
You don't see one thing stung for me and press me out.
You're fool, you know? You have no sense at all. Never see nothing I can do yet.
Me make him beat me and you run.
Me? I'm me run for myself.
Kelly,
Huh?
me say girl. Me see one big sea cow up there so I blow on the players.
See cow?
Manatee. You know that animal there, big ugly on them?
See cow?
Yes, me see him up there so I blow on the place say, he wait till he reach to a maga girl we come and thief him look $2,000.
Oh, you're talking about a big flat that girl? She did that?
Yeah.
And $2,000, $2.
How you know about that?
Cause she tell to thief the money.
Me not tell her to thief now.
Yeah,
You
and
don't
you're
say-
beat her.
I'm good. In
And you run.
He should have grabbed out the green out of your head.
Anytime I fight, she ever did this so me can't run. Me have to run. You want me to talk about that beat up? Yeah, idiot?
But are you thief money?
That no sense.
Then now you tell her to do it. Me believe her no cause of my childhood bestie this year.
Oh, Tabada.
Right.
So I help you go but you never did it.
Yeah, me understand.
I mean, they take the beat up.
You don't send him that yard.
Yeah, go yard, okay? You know,
Yeah, you deserve an next beating. More see she beat.
Find a yard, go on now.
Me no go beat her that.
Who? You mad? Think me idiot?
Feeling
Oh man, they walk up on the palm veranda with a wet up dirty slippers.
One hour is not kingfish. No know what wrong with him.
Girl, me thief your money.
So make it beat.
That she said she showed me the money on my TV and show me the young at the moment.
Maybe access something. There's a link on the video over here. Me sure one thing as bad as thing being now make you hungry.
No. You know, give me no money. You feed me, you give me money. More money, me can buy cigarette, rum, everything.
Me Jesus.
And me can buy condom.
Oh my God.
Wait, do you change?
Me not change.
Oh.
I know that. I can't never the things that you don't have is other city if you go a shop and go buy there something there.
Oh.
Yes. And may I tell us that the Lord is good. He woke
Yes.
us up this morning.
God is
Sir,
so
1
good.
minute. And dear Father, as we come to you, Lord, please hear our humble cry. In your name I pray, Lord.
Amen. I didn't know that.
What is going on the veranda, you know? What going to say, you know? What
No,
going
no,
on?
go on. We just did a prayer and then you come and I don't know what's top of your throat. You just come and
What for the prayer look like the prayer they not
No, a long time
answer
we
them the
have
type
prayer.
of prayer they want to have.
No,
prayer.
they
Yeah.
say speak to God like God is your friend. So if you ever just stand up and you just say, God help me get through this. God hear you know a prayer that you know.
Number 1, you do ya?
No.
Number 2, what you do ya?
How we live?
Nothing.
Oh! I was going to say yes, you live.
Then know your father, this girl.
No,
Jesus Christ.
sometimes you
They come like say, if bad company then what you keep, you see? And manipulate your head and I turn in a lunatic. Me never.
Lunatic.
Yeah.
Lunatic, daddy.
Listen to me.
Lunatic.
Anyway you want to call it, if you want lunatic or any formatic I just stick.
My mommy did.
Me realize anytime your mother gone on the road. How what happen?
No, me not check. I don't know why you do back so quick.
Because me not understand what go on. They come like you not keep conference on the veranda. When we come down, they come like you change the topic for me.
No.
No, how would you change topic for you?
Max,
Yeah, God.
question, you read the Bible for me?
Yes.
Who says so?
Me. You see?
Mama say people them have your name, have your name on road, so you walk and thief money, you know. And mama say me no grow thief in my yard, you know.
No, you say I'm going to have the woman.
Yeah, but me no grow thief in my yard.
But me never thief your money. Daddy, you know say you know.
And if you go find something in the yard.
You sleep. Right, you know, you get a vision this last night.
No, me not get no vision.
Me not thief no money.
I shall know if you take me money or what, because I get to understand for y'all. The kid with the look all jahead girl out the road there, some realize say your skin a catch a fire and they come like say them a manipulate you if you take up man. But I have something in store for you. You Lily girl. That's all looking at you.
Your father look young in age but old in a soul.
Yeah, for sure. And my mother, I don't know what my mother do with him. I have to put him out. I tell her every day I get up and preaching at people. You see my mother now, I can go round my mother head. Like a merry-go-round. Can play with his head and tell him what to do. You see, my mother say, me don't do that, my mother believe him. He must say me do it, and me not do it.
Me know your pattern. Every time I come like such a constant meeting. Either way, I left my thing back up on fire and I have to go. I don't want to burn up later.
Come back tomorrow. Don't want me to start power back now. Me don't want the girl beat me up.
Yeah, me I come power back with your girl. I know me not dash you.
Right. So don't go on the road. No, go on the road. Daddy, no go on the road. Oh, no go on live. Daddy!
Oi!
Come here.
Yes, my daughter.
Me I go on the road. Me mommy like how she soon come on.
Go on the road, go do what?
Me, mommy.
Meet your mother?
Yeah.
Make sure you send up friend and company. I go parent, go keep in a little girl.
Me say I go meet my mother and my mother me they go meet. Don't tell me what me they go do for me now.
I understand. As cat take her dangerous. Me say what time I know.
You see my mother?
I for 4 now. I make sure by 5 o'clock like I reach back in the yard. You know?
Yeah, mommy they come from work now. Bye.
Okay.
Yes, bye. Go on in. Cook food so mommy can get and say
you might get you hungry in here.
Me can't get hungry because mommy can't cook unlike you.
Hey, no, oi, come here. Come here.
What
So,
happened?
long me I look for you.
Stop it, laugh.
Eh? You're not call, you're not text. Nothing. Search.
My phone mash up, my father take it from me.
You don't remember say you have something for me?
What? What happened?
Come like me lick sense in your head.
So to me.
You want me lick sense in your head? We have is yours.
Yes.
I want me 300,000.
No! 100.
Which 100?
100.
300. Every time you come to me. Serious.
How serious?
300,000. You have 300,000 to me and I need my money.
Know yourself.
Me not rap.
Give me 20 right now and I give you something.
I'm done with them the games. Done with them the games. There.
What kind of games?
You go reach a 400 now.
No, me say give me 20 right now and I make you right now. I mean, you
can't get no money.
So you want to give you no money?
Want my money back.
Me have money to give you because money you have.
Back my money.
I have the money. Right?
So we do with all that money we have to give you.
I done this so.
I done this so.
Yeah, and turn the corner.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Hey, celebrate Wagwan, yes, so.
No, I
Me
location.
see her and I ask her about direction. You know, because me new to the place. I don't really know. I'm a grand uncle, me calling. And they stay with him up or so. So me just come around the place
Oh,
and
she
say.
underage, you know.
No, sir. Me not do that. Me not do.
Make sure.
Me didn't look at young miss.
No.
Me never
Because
did
me
look
want
at
my daughter have no broke man. You there?
Right.
Me don't want my daughter have no broke man.
So you will give your daughter man?
Yes, and a rich man too. Out of order.
And you say young, you can give. So if me did rich, I give me him.
Yeah. But you know rich, you're poor.
So if me old, still I give me him.
No, rich, you don't understand.
No,
rich
so if
man,
me,
rich man.
So if me all and rich, you give me him.
You have to have a crown of drive. And you have to one whole heap of hotels.
Crown little mum, you don't know that I want Benz me up, you know.
No, me
I told me I walk around here,
You
me
know
not
no
go drive
Benz.
my car.
Eh?
Me not go drive my car.
She said you don't have no Benz.
But you don't know me, young miss, you know me?
Me no know, but me no say no Benz.
So we are quit our friends of
No, me not quit. I have something in my eye.
Why are you eye?
Fly.
If your father man was you, you talk to broke man, you're dead.
Me no have nothing.
Anyways, I don't hear with me.
Yeah, go on, man.
Thanks.
Time, go on.
Thanks, eh?
Yeah. Eh? I treat me daddy tell daddy say me I come out and come meet you, but me never come meet you, but I go different places. Where? Me I look for my friend them.
Which friend?
They might want to come over yard. She beat up her. Someone say she alright.
Beat up who?
He beat up the new one, the new friend.
Fiwa.
But choose them with thief money, I will never thief no money.
Oh.
So he bust up her face. And say she want to beat up me. I have to run, you man, run me
Me
down.
too pick me.
Me have to run.
She know me feel belly pain.
I don't know. She beat me up. No, she not beat up me, no, she beat up her. So just tell daddy.
Look up your man. If she beat you, she beat you. She not beat you, she just not beat you.
No, nobody can make me left.
Oh, come the top feed you?
Yes.
Oh.
So just go on over and just
come we are go over.
No, just tell daddy. Go check for the girl. Just tell daddy say. No, mommy, just go on over and tell daddy say.
Alright.
You say him to your mother. Tell him something. Tell him something. Yeah, me ready to come in the yard yet.
Good evening, ma'am.
We're good for.
My daughter just gone out the road, say she gonna meet us, so I don't
So you
understand
ask her for she missing her down to my mother.
Me tell her, say you spoil the little girl, you know. And you
Me
spoil
can't
the
take
little
it
girl, you know.
headache with you right now, sir.
And you spoil the girl, little daughter, you know. Me know my daughter grew up like no crop, you know, brother. Mommy, this is a Christian yard, you know. And they come like, all they teach me, I teach you know. They come like on the sentimental and the mental retarded. Me know you fuck up my daughter. What my daughter dey?
No question me, man.
But are you sister she left go meet? Me not understand.
And me tell her, say me send her along and my mother. What wrong with you?
So you tell us.
We are what she pick me for.
Me don't watch her, but me don't want she keep, cause she, me say she keep some bad.
She not keep no bad company.
How you know that?
Cause me know me daughter like that.
You know your daughter like that?
Yes.
You see you? Your daughter go shame you one of them day,
Make
you know.
shame me.
One of them day your daughter go shame you, know.
So you hear me say, so what? I don't
you hear me say look well.
Make
Because
me
you come
shame.
like when you talk, it come like a win.
You come here say you get bad, you get vision. No, you come with this thieving argument.
My vision, well I know, you see vision, me tell about other day, me tell her say, them a go lick down his daughter, them a go beat her, me see one girl beat her off. It a go come to pass, you know, Mark say me tell
I
her
know
that,
she them beat, you must get news straight.
You don't beat nobody yet, but watch out go on.
You must get news because we see out there and she said them beat up.
God not sleep, you hear?
Me know say
You see how
God
you?
You know we go to church.
Oh, be unto them.
You know we go
Only
to
them
church.
pick me astray. Oh, be unto them. You see how you? You better go look for me daughter, you know.
Me give her a man, me give her a man. Awa, you satisfied now?
Where does it look like?
She have a rich man now.
My daughter, too young for man.
Me say she have a rich
My
man
daughter
now.
too young for man. My daughter too young for man. And then they sit me and want to break up my daughter in. My daughter too young for man.
Me say she have a rich man. I don't up here, I beat off me daughter. Too much of you know, man. What me tell you? Too much of you know.
It's alright. It's alright.
Move on, guys. Brains up.
What make you think so? Me dey go on me.
Are you going to change the shots? Or we close your teeth? Come over them there, no?
Girl, remember me your best friend who have matching clothes. Me don't know
Oh,
what you do
I
with
hear
fear.
on that.
Yes, I feel more on
You
this
must have
one.
one tear up.
Oh, good.
What there?
One dog, two dog.
Oh, look at girl.
Speak.
Whenever yard, me want to go. Come here, say,
Go
mommy, box done, daddy.
And that a go on?
Yes! Box, he don't, me say, he call me now. And I say, hello? Then I say, you want to box me now? Say, come on. Let me take a dopey dog about that. Yes.
The dog now, I tell you, I'm not thinking about that.
So dopey, you call me, girl.
We are best to be best.
Don't push me, girl.
Let me ask you something now. You see, every time your yard ever have some festivity, and they not happen anytime it did it, they happen before me come or after me gone.
Me don't know, you just not to catch it. I mean, I tell you, I go up the road. And me try to fool this man.
Yeah.
But instead of me fool him, And him fool me and mash me up. I don't got no use.
Of course. But tell you, say you need to stop doing that. And you think I'm kidding.
Hi. Where are the people there?
Hi.
Where are the pastor devil? Huh? Ask him father go like a Christian and a Christian nothing.
Everybody knows him for no holy.
Don't touch
Stop
me.
touch my father, no girl.
You don't know the word name. Do not touch me. Don't touch me. No. Don't like me. I'm not a bucket.
You know, so yeah, when anybody refuse me, I must stop it. Come on, why you refuse me for? What wrong with me?
Hey, may I see him yet? I know I have been a stepmama.
Oi.
I'm just stepmother money. Me take you know.
Drag your ass by your yard. Where you at?
Drag me who?
Why your yard?
Drag your ass, go your yard. So drag your ass for the ground, go your yard.
Why your yard?
What?
Yeah, yard. You know, see out of my data company. Go. Lucky. Look at check a girl and get out of it.
Say, I'm look at you there, boy, chair.
Yeah, what do
Him
you
said one. See me out of so what day and tap me. And I tell boy one back you whole and 300,000.
Send a plan for game?
Give back what? No. I'm saying me did there now. And he come here sturdy. I see you sturdy and chat about how he want the money. I say give me 20 grand. And me give you some. And me get it. And me say today again. Me get the money. Give him what? Me pill him again.
What's that?
Oi! Me not catch you now. Where get me with what me do? What me do?
2 grand you take
Which 2 grand? Which 2 grand you take?
Why 2 grand you thief out of my
$2.
Me
Which
want
2 grand?
it back and me want it back. No.
No. At $2. No tell that for me.
$2. You think me no farmer Joe with a girl?
Hello, you not defend me. You not defend me. Yes! Dollar, my friend. Oh, come on. Must buck you. Right. What you want to do? I don't love you, no. I love you.
Say I'm the best of my life.
If I didn't eat that one in beat up.
Hey, I'm glad how your woman up and turn up to your problems. I want my money today.
You want your money? Today?
Today,
Which money?
Yeah,
but you don't say you eat that?
I'm not ramping.
Yeah, really eat
I'm
that.
not ramping, Kayla.
Every time, much begano, tell much begano. Every time.
From money there.
Me see you, I tell say, I give you somebody coaching ala. You give me money. You say you eat that, you know sense? Give me 20 grand, I get right now for true. This
Yeah. You want what? Like an handicap?
Which handicap? Me want a handicap. Where want me so, huh? See what me want?
Yeah. Oh, you take it to joke.
Me take everything to joke. You can't do me nothing.
You're not giving me money?
No.
You're not giving me money?
No. You're not back me for money.
Girl, that one at the fire.
You're not giving me money, Kayla. Don't me. Tomorrow. No make tomorrow.
Okay. So at this side the boy, the little broke pocket boy, where your mama set you on.
Who broke?
Huh? At this side look how careless boy.
Oi.
Look how thieving boy.
Oi.
Your mama set you up on.
Daddy, me feel come out here and push on the boy because boy beat her daughter. You don't do it. How you do? How you do? Tell me what you do, Daddy. What you tell Daddy? I beat you really and try to beat me. Eh? You see your
I said, come here, look.
Look how mommy beat you.